session. Right. So now, guys, we are going to start the session. That is our program management professional. Guys, my concern, because I'm the research scholar on the project management, program management. So some information I'm going to explain through the guys, that is the graph and the pictures, so that people can easily understand the logic, guys. Understand the logic in what term, guys? Because I'm a student of human psychology. Human psychology says that if I can plot something in front of you, or if I will write in front of you, even though it is an online session, guys, the chances of gaining the information will be better, guys. That is the only concern. Up to the 15 second, if I can plot a graph in front of you. Right. So yes, our concern, guys, we are here to understand the program management professional, that is the PGMP. Prerequisite to sit for that, guys, that is the prerequisite to sit for the PMP examination. Right, 1 minute, if I will show you guys these four people: Anand, Gaurav, Najib and Wasile, guys. So these four people, they have already got the approval from the PMI, guys. So please, my request to other person, Gaurav and Blesson, right, Naveed, so these information, guys, please submit your application to me. And this is very important, guys, to take the approval from the PMI regarding the PGMP. Very tough job, guys, first of all, and that is, as a trainer, my responsibility to get it done. These four people, guys, already coordinated, communicated with me before the session, and I hope I have dropped the email to you, Gaurav and Blesson, right? Naved,
Yes.
not, because I have received
Yep.
only yesterday the information from your organization, so it's okay. So those have not sent, guys, me yet. So please send me your filled application. Rest of the thing I will do it, guys, on behalf of you to PMI. So please, guys, that is the very important, because after the session you can directly go for the examination, because all the research I have done and make the things very easy. Right. So prerequisite to sit for that, guys, examination. Number one, that is, okay, first of all, guys, this is the certification under the umbrella of the PMI. PMI, that is the Project Management Institute USA. And guys, that is the examination we are talking about, PGMP. So please, guys, don't mix your concern with the PMP or maybe the ACP, or that is the you are having, that is the RMP and so on. So these are all individual certification. It is not necessary that you are having PMP, then only you can go for the PGMP, but majority of the people, they are doing like that. Majority of the people. But anyway, the criteria always different. PMP criteria, minimum 3 years of experience, 35 hours of training. PGMP criteria, 8 years of experience out of, now I will explain, guys. Risk management, 5 years as a risk consultant or the risk manager. ACP, guys, working on the agile project plus another general project management. So all the criteria are different, so don't mix that. Okay, so under that, guys, PGMP, that we are talking about, the program management professional certification, there are criteria. Number one, you have to have 48 months of the project management experience, guys. I repeat, 48 months on the project management experience. This 48 month covered if you are the PMP certified people, those are PMP certified, so there is no requirement of this 48-month project management experience, right? Like I can say, Anand, we have done, right? So this is fine. So means it is not necessary people, if they are PMP certified, only can go for PGMP. No, so they remove the criteria if you are a PMP certified. So I think like Vasile, that is Nazib as well, right? So we have done, guys, 48-month negligible. Second, guys, that is what, 48 months you have to have on the program management, guys, right? As a program manager, you have done 48 months if you are a diploma holder. So instead of this 48 months, we need 84 months, guys, right, to submit your application. Once the application submit, guys, once you have received the approval from the PMI, right, as four people, guys, in this batch, they have already got the approval. Number one, Vasile, Najib, I think Gaurav, yeah, Gaurav also got the approval, right, Gaurav? And
Yes.
Anand
Yes.
also.
I got.
Yes, 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 sorry for that, I said your name, but already
No.
you got that. So sir, tell me
Yeah.
please. Tell me that Asjad, I got the approval, so sorry, yes, I missed that. So other people,
Okay.
I was saying actually Blesson and Swandesh and Naveed. So please, guys, so this application, guys, this is the very important factor, guys, to get it done. And once the application done, then only you can proceed further, guys. After the application, guys, you have to make the payment, right? So payment guys, there are two criteria in INR or in US dollar. In US dollar, I think some people already submit that. Those are outside India guys. So in US dollar, that is for the membership. If you are a PMI member, the cost is $800. And if you are a non-member guys, the cost would be $1,000 examination fees. Right. After submission of the fees, I'm giving you a flow guys. Am I properly understandable? What am I trying to say guys? Please
Yes.
do let me know.
Yes,
Make a
yes, very
thumbs up.
much.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
great. Thank
clear.
you very much. Thank you. So for that, guys, once you will make the payment, after this payment, guys, for India, guys, it is different, right? For Indian, let me show you exactly. It is something. 1 minute, guys. For the Indian PMP requirement for the Indian candidate, and I think Anand, you have already submitted that, right? So member price, this is that much in INR, 46,000. But remember, you asked the question that Asjad in US dollar in INR. So yes, in INR there will be GST applicable, right? So that is the guys in INR. If you want to go for the member price 46, non-member 77,000 INR. So it is always recommended guys to take the membership, right? So I am giving you the standard one that Najib, I think you have made the payment. I remember that because guys, these people already communicated, got the approval from the PMI. Only one thing, what they want to go for the examination, and that's it after the session. Okay, so after the payment, guys, once you have made the payment, there will be a panel review. Panel review, it's fine, guys, means panel review will be done easily, right? And after the payment panel review, then you can go for the test, guys. Right. So panel review will be done only after making the payment to PMI, guys, whatever the INR or in US dollar, then only panel review will be starting, guys. Right. But yes, chances are very high. I have submit your application. Any queries if you are having, so you can ask me, coordinate with me, guys. I'm always there to help you out. Once, guys, after the test, you have to give to the test, guys. In the test, there are two things, guys. Number one, total number of the question 170. Out of 170 question, guys, 150 questions are the scored one, and guys, 20 questions are the trial question. Blessing, please, sir,
Yeah.
you raise the hand.
Yeah, so I wanted to ask you, after the panel review is done, is there a time frame that is there that you can give the exam, or how, is there a valid
After the approval 1 year.
1 year? Okay.
After approval.
So I think over here, different people are in different journeys in their preparation to the PGMP, right? For me, I'm just preparing. This is my start of the preparation for the PGMP.
Right. Blessing, it's fine. It's completely fine, right? Because different people, different way of execution. But if you will be asking us just that, what is the best practice? Best practice means you have started now. It's fine. But take the approval and you have 1 year. Blessing.
Okay, got
In
it.
this 1 year, you can give the exam anytime. So you will be free, right? Because this entire session, approval, panel review till here, it will take normally 60 days. Right. So if we are taking the approval before the session or as early as possible, rather than Belson, don't take me wrong, before the session means as early as possible, we will be free and we can concentrate on this point. Correct?
Yep.
That is the only concern. See, everything, the exam is not tough, exam is tricky, and we need to make our session or make our plan in that way we can achieve less efforts, high value. As simple as that, right? Number of efforts less. So that is the reason I always recommend it to my participants, take the approval as early as possible, and now you can concentrate only the examination. Right. So 150 question out of total 170, guys, 150 questions are the scored one and 20 questions are the trial question. Right. Trial question, guys, or sometimes it is also known as the pre-question, guys. Pre-question means they do not affect your score, but the use in the examination effective and the legitimate way to test the validity of the future examination question. And that is the reason they just want to have the trial question. Total timeline, guys, for this exam 240 minutes. Question 170. No one knows, guys, first of all, sorry, Even as a trainer, I cannot identify which questions are the trial question, guys. Similarly, as the PMP, there are total, guys, 180, 175 are the scored, and 5 questions are the trial. In PGMP, guys, program management, 20 questions are the trial question, because criteria long, guys. So out of that, you can see which is coming approximate 1.4 minute per question, guys, which is enough time, first of all, enough time to read the question, give the answer, and finish it off, right, guys? So take it easy, relax. In this PGMP examination, guys, there is no break. First of all, guys, it is not like PMP. In PMP, guys, those have done the PMP before 2018, so there was no break earlier, right? Like Vasile, you have cleared that, and I remember Najib, you have cleared that, right? So there was no earlier no break, but now after 2019 PMI, they have given the break for PMP. But for PGMP, there is no break, first of all. Second point, guys, there is no negative marking. Again, no negative marking. So if there is no negative marking, so it is always recommended, guys, to attempt all the questions or not. As simple as that. This is same, guys. So attempt all the question. Second important thing, guys, over here, this PGMP and the PFMP exam, guys, you cannot give it online. There is only Pearson centers, because these are the top most examination by the PMI. Only the Pearson View Center, guys, you can give. Every metropolitan city is having the Pearson View Center, guys. So you have to give the exam only in the center. So there is no other choice that you can give the exam through the, you can say, guys, through the online or others, right? Final certification looks like that. If I will show you guys, one of my candidate, I think someone told me in this batch from healthcare, Swandesh, right? So one of the candidate, his name is Samrat, working is the pharmaceutical Sun Pharma. Anyway, so this is what, guys, this is the final certification, looks like that, program management professional. And the result, again, guys, PMI always having the September month of, guys, in this 1 week, several candidates, they have cleared the exam. I will show you how the examination they are evaluating your performance. 1 minute, guys. Rajesh, yes. So these are, guys, Rajesh result, very good result. You can see, guys, yeah, 25th of August he cleared the exam. So these are the total 5 domain, guys, by which PMI visible, guys. I think so, because he sent me the screenshot, right? So this is
Yes.
what, guys, strategic management, stakeholder, program life cycle, governance, and the benefit management. So PMI, they are evaluating your performance on the PGMP examination based on that. So this is what, guys, it is known as the domain, right? So domain, there are total 5 domain, and the one more domain they have added, but they are not evaluating your performance, which is known as the collaboration. This result is really very good result, guys, in the PGMP exam, if I must say. Above target, above target, above target, above target, only benefit management target of this candidate. So approximate percentage wise, if I can say, this candidate Rajesh Kumar, he received approximate, guys, 92 or 93%. Pratik also cleared the exam, and his result also was very good. See, guys, this Pradeep result, and he cleared the exam 4th of September, guys, 3 days before. Guys, sorry for that. He sent me the screenshot because it will take 48 hours to come, and after that he forgot to share me. But yes, he sent me immediately. He cleared the exam and sent me this Pratik. So above target, above target, above target, above target, above target. Now you can see, guys, above target. So evaluation criteria of the PMI is above target, target, need improvement, below target. And all of you, I hope you are very much aware of it. What does it mean? It means that is something like that. There are 4 things. Number one, guys, this is, guys, those are not aware, those are PMP certified, I think they are very much aware. So it is a mix of the people, so I am giving, guys, you the full information, so that there will no any gap. So these are, guys, criteria total 4, which is need improvement, below target, target, and above target, guys. So target and above target, we do believe, guys, it is from 80% to 100, like that, and this is 60 and 40, like this, guys. So if you are having, means reach up to the target, pass. So this is what, this is the pass, and this one is the fail, something like that. PMI don't provide any percentage. This is just for the information, guys, and that is also my criteria. If you are getting 80% in my test, guys, you will be receiving complete simulation, LMS portal we do have, right, learning management system, LMS portal. So you will be receiving, because on the first day we always check who is the part of our session, and based on that we will be sharing the LMS to you guys. Okay, so don't worry for that. Maximum today evening or tomorrow maximum you will be receiving the LMS portal. All the slides, all the books, all the question and answers, you can download it from the LMS portal, guys. That is our portal. Okay, so that is what, guys, passing, and this is the failing. So I hope all of you guys got that point. How to renew that, guys? It is same 60 PDUs, 60 guys. Professional development unit is required to give the guys, renew your PGMP certificate for the next 3 more years. Professional development unit, all of you guys very much aware of it. So this is, guys, same for PMP as well as for the PGMP, guys. 60 PDUs that we need to have. Any question, any queries, guys? If you do have, please do let me know. Any question? Am I audible properly?
Yeah,
Is my screen visible?
Azyad
Please,
Anand
Anand.
here.
Yes, yes,
I have
Anand.
a question. It's
Please,
it's
sir.
more from payment related, so I don't know, should I ask that now or I wait for you to complete and then ask?
No, ask me, sir. Please, whatever the doubts,
Okay,
ask. So that, because
okay.
first
So
day is the
so I might
foundation, Anand.
Yeah, so I might need your help in with my profile because I'm in the US right now, and when I'm trying to make the payment, it is still showing up the costing in INR. So I
No
needed
problem.
your help to change the profile so that I can go ahead and make the payment in USD rather than in INR.
It is, I think, Anand, if you remember, I told you it will not make any impact on your exam. It will not make
Yeah.
an impact because PMI do already, sir. We are the professional and we can relocate anytime in our life, right?
Okay.
You fill the
Yeah.
application, but now you are in US, right? And that's it. So you can make it, but still, if you want my help, I can.
Yeah, see, you
Because
said a
you know,
very
PMI,
you said a
PMI.
very right thing at the beginning. If you are in the US, you don't have to pay for the GST. So I'm trying to save a bit of money.
No, nothing, sir. You cannot save.
Yeah,
This is my concern because in US
yeah,
dollar, it is $800 you have to pay.
yeah,
Convert
yeah,
this into
yeah,
INR if you are a member, right? I'm talking about for the
yeah,
membership
yeah,
point of view. So if you are a
yeah.
member, right, the cost in US dollar, $800, right?
Mm,
Okay,
mm.
$800 you can convert it INR. I'm not changing, you know that, right? Okay, in
Yeah,
that
yeah,
case, in India, INR, it is 46,000. Round figure, you can say
yeah,
46,000
yeah.
plus 18% GST. How much it is
Mhm.
coming? Is still it is less than this.
Okay, so you suggest I make the payment in INR
Go ahead.
only.
Yeah, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes. Still, it is less
okay,
than that because developing country, developed country, huge difference.
okay, okay,
Anyway,
understood. Then it makes sense.
yeah, I cannot
Then
say
it makes
more
sense.
than that. All right, over here, you got
Okay,
my point. So that is
yeah,
for
understood.
India specifically because the highest number of the people going for the PMI, right? That is the third highest country. First of all, Canada, after that, China, then India. So they have converted this into US dollar INR. Earlier, it was
Mm.
not like that. Every payment, even you are from India or you are from any
Yeah,
country,
I
you have to
remember.
make the payment only in US dollar. But
Yeah.
after that, they have changed into the INR. It means a huge number of the people are moving towards the PMI certification and they consider it.
Mm-hmm.
I hope the point is
Understood.
clear, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
it is clear now. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Savandesh, please, sir.
Yeah.
Savandesh,
Hi, Arjit.
good
One
morning.
query. One query is that because I am working as a product owner from last 1 or 2 years, but before that
Okay,
I was been like a technical lead or architect, principal engineer. So how do
right.
then filling the form with the should I fill with the say the role that I have been done and kind of the complete end-to-end life cycle of the project with that role, or should I have to
No,
um,
see, as a program, this is the reason. 1 minute, 1 minute. I will show you. I think Savandesh, you have received that
yeah, I received that
form.
file.
You
Yeah, I was
received the
filling
form,
that
right?
file. Yeah.
1 minute, right? PGMP application form. So whatever the information you can fill, Swandesh, enough, right? But
Mhm.
as much as you can. So
Okay.
because they are not asking that role as a program manager, they are saying the role is strategic point of view, leadership point of view, governance point of view, right,
Okay.
within which authorities exercise. Governance means it is a framework within which authorities exercise. So you can write, and the question is also very simple: establish or contributing a program roadmap business case aligned with that. So somehow as a product owner you have done it,
Yeah.
Business, right? You have done it. Number one, managing the delivery component changes affecting the program health. Component, you have done it as a product owner. Yes.
Yeah.
So write your experience as you want to write. Okay. The
Mm-hmm.
rest of the changes I will make. Swandesh.
Okay. Okay.
Don't
Got it.
worry for that. Don't
Yeah.
don't worry for that. This is I'm taking care. But what I need from you, you need to please fill this information properly. That is important, because this information I cannot do anything. I need your proper nationality, governmental ID, name. As per, guys, don't use Aadhaar card, please use the passport, and that is the reason we are using your first name and last name.
Yep.
Otherwise PMI will not allow you, the Pearson centers will not allow you to enter in the examination hall. This happened, guys, one of my candidate recently, and this is the reason I'm sharing this information. His name was Manal Paresh Bhai Shah from Gujarat, guys. That candidate. He mentioned in his Aadhaar card Shah Manal Paresh Bhai. Just I'm saying the example, guys. And they did not allow him to enter because they said where it is mentioned first name is what and the last name is what. After that, he asked me question. I said him, please take your passport. In the passport was name right. That is the Manal Shah. Manal Paresh Bhai Shah. So Manal Paresh Bhai is the given name and Shah was the surname. So please make it sure that your first name and the last name clearly defined. And this is the reason Aadhaar card don't use, guys. Please use your passport name for the application form. Those are PMP certified, guys. Don't worry, because your information already there, right? You have already created your form, guys. You are PMP certified, your name is there registered in the PMI. Those are not for them, guys, specifically this information, right? I hope, Sandesh, you got the point. So this information, sir, it is very
Yeah.
important. This information, other information, only you can write me the project name or the program name. I will be
Mm-hmm.
taking care. Relax.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
50%
Got it.
work done. But submit
Thank
that.
you. No, I will
Submit
do
that.
it ASAP. Yeah.
Yeah,
I will do it.
please, as early as possible. Okay. Anyone else, guys, having the question? Please, guys, this is the first day. As I told you, first day is the very important day, guys. Why important? Because introduction, background, understanding that we are going to discuss. Otherwise, very difficult for us to continue in the next day onwards, guys. That is the specific part. So should I ask by name? Blesson, Naveed, Swandesh,
Yeah.
Vasile, Gaurav, any queries over here? Am I audible, guys? Cross check.
Yes, you
Yes,
are.
yes,
Is my
audible. No queries.
Yes,
screen
you are. Yeah.
is my screen visible, guys, without any black patches? Because that is important, guys.
No. Yeah.
It
Yeah.
is like, yeah,
Yes.
okay, great.
So,
Whenever you
so
will be facing any problem, update me immediately, please. Blessing.
Sure, will do. Thank you.
Okay, right.
Just one more question.
So
We'll be
Mandesh,
getting
please.
we'll be getting simulation test, right? Along with this course.
Obviously, LMS,
Yeah.
Swandesh, it is complete LMS, right?
Okay.
So as I told you, LMS we are sharing after checking who is in the part of the, because we want committed people, not interested only. Don't take me other way around, guys. Just I'm saying that committed
Yeah. Yeah.
people. So those have joined the session. It means you guys are committed one. That's it. Committed for the program management exam, program management certification. So after that only we are going to share, right, the LMS portal. All the information you can download. That is the examination outline, as well as the slides, guys, that I'm going to share. Right, that is the concept, right? So these program management slides, as well as the book, that is the SPM, guys. This is our standard book, recently launched by the PMI program management, and the 5th edition, March 2024, guys. PMI launched that. So our reference book is this, guys. Only one book is the reference book, guys, and this is very good book, guys. You can say it is a gold, like the PMBOK guide. More than enough to crack the examination. But yes, through the example, through the understanding, right, we will be going further. Clear? Okay, so great. So now, guys, what I said, our reference book, that is what, this is the SPM, guys. It is like a you can say, guys, that is the like the PMBOK, but in that we are using the word SPM, is standard for the program management, SPM, and the latest version, that is the version number 5. In this program management, guys, this is the SPM. It is generally recognized, guys, all of these things in the recording. Okay, so take it easy. Whatever the information you want to note it down, please note it down as requirement. Okay. Okay, so generally recognized as a good practice, guys. What does it mean? It means that most of the time, most of the program, if you are delivering these practices, right, the chances would be very, very high to deliver a successful program, guys. It does not mean, guys, that the all the provision which is mentioned in our SPM version 5 is standard for the program management, guys, applicable to all the program, and this is not something like one size fit for all. It is not like that. But yes, chances would be very, very high to deliver a successful program. There are total, guys, 5 domain, and also there are 8 guiding principles, and this entire book is based on that 5 domain plus 1 domain, guys, that is the collaboration. I told you, working collaboratively. So collaboration, what does it mean, guys? They are not evaluating your performance on the collaboration, but it is by default. So total, I can say 5 plus 1 6. How the PMI they are evaluating your performance, guys? That is the point I told you. Number one, which is known as the strategic management. Strategic management, guys. So from the strategic management, 15% question out of 170 question will be, guys, asking. Second, which is very, very important. Okay, I will make it in the last. Second one, guys, that is the benefit management. From the benefit management, they are charging 11% question, guys, right? Third one, that is the stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder we cannot manage, guys, only we can engage. So stakeholder engagement, 16% question they are asking. And the fourth one, which is the governance framework, guys, governance framework, 14%. You can add, guys, how much it is coming. And the last but most important, guys, that is what, as I told you, this is the program life cycle. So from this program life cycle, guys, they are asking 44 question. Now, guys, it will become 100%. And this is the point I told you, collaboration, all of these things. So that is your role as a program manager, collaboration. Makes sense, guys? So like that, so I will be discussing all of these topic, guys, one by one. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So guys, very important or not, life cycle management, I will be taking entire 5 hours, guys, to explain what does it mean life cycle costing. Life cycle costing, and guys, stakeholder engagement, finish 60%, ready for the pass. But I'm not saying, guys, that only these two things you need to keep in your mind. Other factors also, these are very good: strategic, benefit, governance. But yes, 44 plus 16, 60%, and which is enough to crack the exam. Because PMI is not saying that in every domain you have to make it what, guys, above target, above target, above target. No, they are saying target or above target, maybe below target in one of them, you can clear the exam. But yes, how they are evaluating, like that. Does it make sense, guys? Now the point is clear. Gaurav, any queries, any question, guys, which is coming in your mind? So there is no negative marking, guys, and there is no multiple question they are asking, right? So only one option will be the right option, guys. So if one option is the right, so please don't skip any question. If you are giving your guess, so guys, from the guess, 25% chances are there you can give the right answer, right, guys? So please don't skip any question in the exam. Chances will be more. And I have not seen, guys, my student that they not clear the exam as of now, guys. Till now they have not cleared the exam. So the same expectation I need from you, guys. So take it easy, relax, but I need your I can say, guys, what I need your involvement in the session, guys. Correct? Okay, so guys, we can move further. That is what, let me show it to you, guys. That is our program management, right? Content outline, guys. So this examination content outline come in the March 2024. This, all of these things you can download it, guys, from our LMS portal, as I told you, right? So these are some tasks: strategic program alignment. So guys, everything we will be discussing, but today we are discussing the introduction, background of the program, vision and the mission, what is the portfolio, right? Develop the program charter as well, and multiple things, guys. So that is our examination content outline. those are PMP certified or PMP trained guys, somehow they are very much aware of some information. Rest of the information I am here guys to explain in detail. So this is the background guys, and what we do believe, we need some core competencies in the program manager, like that he have to have the business ethics, benefit measurement, analysis, cost benefit guys, cost management, cultural understanding. All the culture are good, we need to guys respect all the cultures, contingency planning, conflict resolution technique, communication, collaboration, mentoring, change management, information privacy, right? That is the motivational techniques or the motivational theories. I am not going to discuss guys, so please make it sure that all of you, I do believe, very much aware of it. If you need, I can, don't take me wrong, if you need, I can explain, but we do believe, because there are multiple things we need to understand in the program management. So this is our guys leadership quality. If I can take the example guys, so there are basically, as per the PMI, three leadership quality: laissez-faire, servant leadership, and the charismatic, transformational, transactional. So by default, we do believe that you are very much aware of such kind of the leadership quality. You must be having a emotional intelligence, right? System thinking, time management, vendor management. Program management is not the concern guys to deliver the product. Please guys, make a note over here. Program management, we are not talking about guys project management or the product management. Program management is something else that I am going to explain. Okay, so in this point guys, that is the 1 minute, this is the program management professional guys. All of these information, these are the program management principles. I told you guys, principles means guiding behavior, 8 guiding behavior guys, and these behavior input for this program management performance domain: strategic alignment, benefit management, stakeholder governance, collaboration, and yes, most important, that is 44% guys, life cycle management. So first of all guys, what, as I told you, the SPM, what is our reference book guys? I think you are very much clear regarding that. Our book guys, that is the SPM, standard for the program management, and the latest version number 5 came in March 2024, and I think it is 4-5 months only, 4 months. Okay, 5 months approximate. So in that case guys, whenever we are talking about, just I want to guys, before moving to the program management, I would like to discuss before that what is a project. I know guys, several people are very much aware of it, I know that information, but I want to explain guys, because to make the segregation, program management is not project management. Okay guys, I hope the point is clear. So first of all, what is a project? In this case, whenever we are talking about what is a project, so in that case, a project is nothing but, all of you are very much aware of it guys, I know, but still my concern will be little bit beyond that. A project is nothing but having a specific beginning and the end date. It is temporary in nature. Temporary does not mean short in time, right? So the output of the project, I repeat guys, the word output of the project will be a product or service or the result. Am I right guys? Or service, I can say, that is what, capability to deliver the service. Output. So temporary does not mean that the project is 1 month or 6 months, right? Temporary means always there is an end date, right? It is a time bound. So when you have delivered the project guys, so what is that? In the temporary duration, project manager is the accountable person to deliver the product, service, or the result guys. So collectively I can say that is the deliverable. Success criteria of the project guys, that is, just I will take only 5 minutes guys, and I will move to the real point over here, because segregation always very important to understand guys. As I told you, 1 minute, that is the first point over here. In my slides I have mentioned that the difference in between, that is the, yes, segregation, project, program, and the portfolio. So this is my guys concern right here, right now. So project is nothing but, that is the temporary in nature, right? And that will be considered the deliverable. Product guys, product can be tangible, right? So if I can take Vasile, you have done construction infrastructure project. Apple is a product guys, so we can say that is a product, Right. Service, when we say that project can create a service, capability to perform a service, right? People are from banking domain, guys, over here. I can take the example, guys. So in that Al Raji Bank, I think that is Najib, right? I can take the bank example so that, guys, through the example, we can easily understand that IT people working in that. So you in the bank, right, in which you are working, you have started a project to enhance mobile app for the front office staff. That is what service example I'm taking, guys, right? Ready that offer the facial recognition, right, facility to the customer as a service or not. Am I right? Facial recognition in Al Raji Bank or any bank, guys, to securely authenticate their customer, guys, instead of customer always bringing their passport or the driving license when they visit their branch, guys. So in that case, what is that? It is a service, offering the service like a facial recognition facility. So you have what? You have initiated a project, and I think you did, Najib, if I can say, in your example, right? So guys, by name, I will take your example. That is the point I told you. So authenticate by themselves in that guys, the software, that mobile app you have, thank you, you have, guys, implemented. So that is what, guys, service. Result means, I can say, guys, that is the project always started to find out more about the particular subject with respect to the feasibility study, or you can say the research result. So if I can say, guys, what does it mean? The output of the project is a result instead of a service, instead of a product. For example, guys, before launching a new product, Toyota, guys, rather than Toyota, guys, organization, right, they have conduct the market research to understand that, right, which segment is the most viable demand nowadays, right? It is a sedan or hatchback or SUVs, which, guys, product. So and then identify their key customer demand, that in the, if I can say, guys, Indian market, or guys, Gulf countries market, guys, Toyota is very popular car. So in that Toyota, which one, hatchback or sedan or SUVs? So identify the key customer demand, and then the result of that project feed into the another project that may be used to produce the next model or the next upcoming car. That is what, guys, this is, we can say, the result, right? Research result. Before launching a new model of a car, they have done the market research, guys, or you can say the feasibility study they have done. So project deliver either a product or service or a result, guys. The result, nothing can also be a knowledge or a new finding, a new understanding, because, guys, in this session, I can say, guys, we are here to gain the knowledge in this training, guys. Am I right? So it is what? It is a project for you or not? Are you getting my point, guys? It is a specific beginning and the end date. It is project. Result, guys, result means in this, guys, what you can say, knowledge about the program management. So here I am not giving you any product, I am not giving you any service, guys, I am not selling the product, only I am giving you some knowledge, guys. So the result of this project is what? That is the PgMP, program management training. Program management training itself a project which is having a specific beginning and the end date, and the output, guys, what is that? Knowledge. So in that case, I will support you to achieve your program management professional certification. And the most important thing over here is that I would like to add, guys, this is, and I know all of you are very much aware of it, unique. If the output of the project is not unique product or a service or the knowledge, guys, so what is that? It will not be considered as a project. So, guys, we are going to have a unique knowledge. We are not here to listen same thing what you knew already before attending the session. So I'm sure, guys, that is what you want, right? If your objective from attending this session, guys, is not that gaining the new knowledge, guys, it means you are in a wrong place. If you know already everything about what we are going to talk, and if you are not here to learn or gain some unique knowledge or some new knowledge, guys, maybe your time and the money is wrong initiative. I hope, guys, you got my point. So through which we can what, guys? We can clear the PGMP program management examination. Of course, it could be a unique product or service or the knowledge, right? So several program guys around the work or in the organization, we are creating a unique product. So unique does not mean guys that product does not exist. Are you getting my point, guys? I repeat the statement. Unique product does not mean the output of the project that the product does not exist in the organization. Several times, guys, the product is already available, already in the operation, but this product, guys, used by client or used by the customer. Customer is facing any problem, right? Customer or your customer or the stakeholder, they have identified some opportunities to enhance the product capability through which they want to deliver more guys to the stakeholder, gain the business value, tangible or intangible, whatever guys, for their organization. So in fact guys, most of the project within the organization are what? In the reality, Anand, I can say that it is the enhancement project or not? Simple,
Yes.
guys. Enhancement project, majority of the cases, guys. I'm not saying always, but yes. So it means the product is existing, service already there within the organization, rather than, guys, always we are creating a new product in the market. How many time, guys, we have created the new product in the organization from the scratch? Very few, seldomly I can say, or randomly, or I can say very few guys time we are creating a completely new product. I have worked with the SAP lab guys. So SAP lab, different organization, they are having the different requirement, but it does not mean they are starting always new, right? Saudi Aramco is the client of that SAP, right? Or Shell is also the client of SAP lab, right? So SAP is the product guys, and according to the requirement they are enhancing, and this is the reason they said it is a project for them. So project initiative in the organization because of the current operational product, current service guys. So by using, again guys, by using this training, you would like to enhance your current knowledge, gain some unique knowledge about the program management. So guys, this is the point what I said. Project success criteria, what does it mean guys? So please don't get confused. What is the project success criteria? It is not the success criteria of the program. I will come on that. Project success criteria, that is what guys? Deliver the project on time, within the prescribed budget, optimal use of the resources, proactive communication, mitigation of the risk, stakeholder satisfaction, I must say, if required, the procurement. So right guys, this is the success criteria of the project, but program criteria is not that. So in that case, project, right? So your organization, in case guys, a innovative research driven type of the organization, or right, is a market leader, right, where you want to innovate completely new product, completely new product guys. As I know, I'm taking the example guys, that is the Samsung foldable phone, right? This Samsung foldable phone guys, unique product. In that unique product which was not exist before in the organization Samsung, so they come with the unique idea, foldable phone, but there can be project to enhance the capability of that foldable phone guys. They have completed the project. After that, enhance the capability of that phone. This is what guys. So once that phone is already exists, according to the product life cycle, it is ongoing. Project life cycle is temporary. I just want to make it sure guys, product life cycle and the project life cycle. Product life cycle, if I can say, time versus that is the product usage. So product life cycle looks something like that, right guys? Something like that. So there are what? There are some stages. This is what guys? That is the introduction stage. You can say guys, there is a growth stage. After that, there is a maturity stage, and then decline. So it's up to you guys, this decline, or would you like to make the extension? So this point guys, it is what? It is a saturation point. Am I right, Gaurav, Najib? Saturation point. So would you like to continue like this, guys? Yes, this is the point I have just explained through the graph and the pictures. Are you getting my point, guys? What I want to say? Product life cycle. So decline. So product completely finished, decline, okay? Or you want to upgrade that. This is the point I told you. Product already exists, right? Product life cycle is ongoing. Project is temporary, guys. So project is temporary, but product is not temporary, guys. Project life cycle time versus, if I can plot a graph, resources. So that is what project life cycle looks something like that. And I hope, guys, all of you are very much aware of it. Project life cycle, because it is having a specific beginning and the end. Project finish. After the project finish, we are getting a product or a service or a capability to perform the service, guys, or we can say the result. So that is temporary, but product life cycle is not temporary, guys. Product life cycle ongoing. Product is not temporary, product is permanent. That is the basic difference as of now I would like to share, guys. Does it make sense, guys? Do you agree with that? This is the reason, guys, project management and the product management are not same. Right, under that I am giving you guys information. Why? Because people, they do have the misunderstanding of what? Product, project and program. This is the point. So before moving further to the program management, I want to remove the obstacles, the barrier which create the misunderstanding of the program management, right? So whenever we are talking about, guys, because several people are from the product background, product owner or the product company, guys, so I am just giving the example of that. Product management, what is that? It is what? There is no time frame for the product. First of all, product manager guys, is the person who must know well about the product, and he is the one or she is the one plan the development. Product manager always set the priorities with respect to the backlog item, guys. Correct? Backlog item, that is what? Product backlog. So priorities, adding the new feature and upgrading the existing one. Manage the product development budget by balancing the stakeholder expectation as well as company capabilities, right? Product is permanent. This is the point I told you. So product manager is nothing but a strategic thinker, guys. Product manager is what? It is the strategic thinker, while the project manager is more doer. Got my point, guys? A strategic thinker, that is the product manager, and project manager, it is what? He is the one doer, right? Doing on that. So means in that case, the product manager is what? That is the is filling the customer need. Product manager, guys, until the product is retired. Project manager always what is, guys? Making this into the reality. And this is the reason project is having boundary. Product manager is a thinker, guys, a strategic thinker, and project manager is the doer. And what is that, guys? They are various projects to make the goals into the reality, right? In that case, guys, whenever we are talking about the product, so on the other hand, complete the task by whom, guys? By the project manager on time within the project. And this is the reason, guys, the output of the project is a product or a service or a result. Project goal, guys, it is what? Maintain a product. Project manager, right, oversee or manage the project from beginning to the end date, start to finish, right? Set of tasks, first of all, guys. So in that case, if I can segregate, guys, product manager is the in charge of any software application development, in charge for that. Product manager is the person will define the goal of the app, decide what feature should be in that app, arrange a team for the product developers, monitor the new challenges they arise, right? So in that case, after the product manager, guys, organization, they will be hiring the project manager to make it sure that who can turn this into the reality, turn these goal into the reality. Got my point, guys? So in that case, for example, right, as a product owner, guys, product manager, you determine people like to discuss. So that is an online application, guys. Through the online application, I want to purchase any product, guys, online. From that online application, before purchasing a product, I want to share this information with my family. And it is very true, guys. You are also doing the same thing. You want to share this information with your family. So in that case, a product manager, what he will be creating? Oh, this feature, it is the market demand. Most of the people, they want to share this information before making a purchasing online. They want to share this information with their family members. So project manager, guys, guys lead a project to roll out that feature onto the application, guys. That will allow the customer to share the product information through the message platform. Got my point, guys? Clear? So this is the difference in between the product and the project. A strategic thinker, product manager, project manager is the doer, guys. As simple as that. Now the third point is coming of the program manager, guys, and this is the point. You will be the program manager, guys, in my class, and that's why I am giving all of these information in the background. So as a program manager, guys, involves, that is what, identifying and coordinating the interdependencies. This is your role, guys. Interdependencies amongst the project, amongst the product, other important strategic initiative in the organization, guys. I repeat, product manager is important for the development of the product. That's it. Project manager is what? Doer of that product, execution of that. Program manager always what? It is the initiative in the organization. Organization to achieve the strategic objective, guys. I repeat, to achieve the strategic objective of the organization, we do have program manager in the organization. So in that case, the product manager is moving a product, guys, development of the any web page. On the web page, we do have the FAQs. Vasile, sorry, don't worry for that. I'm taking the example because majority people IT, and I will take the example of non-IT as well. So please, guys, I will take all the example. I'm just making the segregation on that. I will be through the example. So please, guys, don't think that example I will be taking the mixed example. But as of now, I'm giving which is very common. Very common. Everyone can easily understand that. So please, guys, energy or IT, non-IT people, guys, this is very common example I'm taking as of now. So view product manager is the person, guys, who need to build the code for the web page. On the web page, there is also a frequently asked question page, online content. Again, guys, there will be a marketing team. Marketing team will need to create the other deliverable to support the campaigning, guys. Obviously, you have to make a campaign or not, right? And there is also the customer, guys, support department in your organization. Customer support department will need a training on that product. So product, guys, I told you the code on the web page, website, right? Frequently asked question page will be there, information, right? Company profile, contact information, all the information that we can say a product. In that case, guys, that is what a marketing team, they would like to make a campaign for that product. I can say the SAP product, guys. Okay. Customer support department, because they need a training on that product, right? So this is what, guys, the question will be coming from the user as soon as product go live. Here the role of the program manager start. Yes, please. I think someone was asking. Navid?
You went blank for about 5 seconds, Asjad. So can you repeat the last what you said?
Sure, Anand. Very good.
Yeah.
So you are with me, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Great. I like it. So 1 minute, guys. So 5 seconds. Yes. Very good. Let me check, guys, 1 minute, and otherwise I will change the network. 1 minute. Just I'm audible, I think now, guys, right?
Yes, you are
Yes,
audible now.
audible, because normally it take automatically the shift of the connectivity. Okay. I'm just going to change the network, guys, so this problem will not be facing again. Okay, fine, guys. Good. So what I was saying, I will repeat that. Product manager, guys, what? The product developing, and in that developing the product feature and the functionality of that product. Web page, building the code for that. Frequently asked question, guys. Other online information, that is the discussion, company profile, contact information. After that, marketing team. Marketing team want to make a campaign, right? So after that, launch a campaign, and then there is a department which is known as the customer support department. Customer support department, they need what? They need a training on the product. Obviously, guys, because the customer support department, they can give the user information. The user will be utilizing that app or whatever the you can say, guys, the SAP product, and then the queries will be there. So customers, so they need a training on that. Customer support department also need a training on their specific product. So here the program manager role start. This is the point only, guys. I said program manager role is what, guys? Identify all the interdependencies. Does it make sense now, guys? Program manager role identifies the interdependencies across the various department, guys. Product development, marketing, campaigning team, right? Customer support department, and then they work with the relevant stakeholder in each of the department. They coordinate, guys, coordinate their efforts to ensure that everything that needs to be getting done to support the program. Program is what, guys? Launching a product. Are you getting my point, guys? Does it make sense? For example, guys, I can take very simple, very generic example. Everyone can easily understand. Apple. Apple Incorporation. Apple Incorporation, guys. That Apple, they do have, guys, that is what, Apple i17, guys. They are going to start a product. I repeat, the product Apple i17. So what do you think, guys? It is a program? No, right? So the program is not creating the product Apple i17, guys. Apple i17 is a product. Program is what? As I told you, the objective of the program to achieve the strategic objective. Strategic objective in this i17, guys, they would like to generate $2 billion revenue in the financial year 2024-25. That is the strategic objective of the organization. Are you getting my point? This is the program, guys. Right? So yes, this product, you are developing multiple projects or not? Right? Multiple project, and this is the reason I have discussed with you the project management, product management, and now, guys, the program. So what is the objective of the program, guys? The objective of the program, a strategic objective, to gain $2 billion in this financial year 2024-25. The objective is not developing the i17. And this is the reason, if I can say, Vasile, your example that you are working in the development as a consultant, right? A very senior consultant, guys. So can I say that this is the downtown development program? Downtown, guys, you can say, Vasile, because you are in Bahrain, and guys, I was there in Bahrain a long time, right? So can I say that Budaya development, downtown development program? So in that program, what is that? It is not only one thing that you are working only the infrastructure. No, you are working on the, you can say, the underground utilities. You are also working on what, guys? You are working on the, I can say, rather than that is the infrastructure improvement. Under that infrastructure improvement, I can say the utility upgrade. I can say public transportation enhancement, residential development program, right? That is the commercial as well as the mixed building, right? Construction of the mixed use building. We can say also that is the housing initiative. We can say also that is the public space facilities, amenities, park, and the recreation, the facilities, landscape enhancement, public art installation, as well as the environmental sustainability, green building services, renewable energy project we are initiating, waste management, and the recycling. Just an example I'm saying. Am I right? Vasily got my point. So what is that program? Is the downtown development program, right? City redevelopment program. Is strategic objective, guys? Is strategic objective only the building? No, this is the point. Is strategic objective of this downtown development program, or, guys, downtown means that is the center area of in any particular city or the country. The strategic objective of this program, what is that? To enhance the city appeal. Enhance smart city program in India, if I can say, guys. Construction is smart city. Got my point, guys? So it is a program, enhance the city appeal, economic appeal, I can say. Enhance the city economic appeal, or I can say improve the infrastructure. And why, guys? Working in a livable environment. because only construction of the building will not enhance the city economic approach. Only building we are constructing. No, we have to, guys, provide some road reconstruction. We have to upgrade the utility, public transport service also we need to provide. So guys, all of these are the projects or not? Are you getting my point? Please make a thumbs up, guys, if you do agree with that. Program objective is different. Under that program, multiple projects, multiple component we are initiating to support that program, because objective is what? The objective is the enhance the city economic appeal, so that the people can attract towards the city. And if the people are attracting towards the city, guys, what will happen? The city economic appeal will improve. As simple as that. Metropolitan city, guys, this is the reason why the metropolitan city are so advanced. They do have, because people economic appeal. I hope, guys, you are getting my point. Please make a thumbs up if you do agree with that. What am I discussing over here? Right, getting the point. So program management, guys, please don't get confused. It is not project management. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, Anand. Thank you, Savandesh. So it is not project, guys. Project, it is what? It is a component, and component means, guys, it is a support. Thank you, Gaurav. It is a supporting component to what, guys? To create a program. Okay, another example, guys, I can say that this is the satellite. I'm just taking, guys, in detail I will go, because these example I have done some time of the project, right? Okay, so in that case, guys, that is the satellite. So launching satellite vehicle, satellite launch vehicle, SLV, guys, sorry, satellite launch vehicle. It is what? It is a program or not? Remote sensing program for that satellite launch vehicle. And what is the objective, guys? Objective to create a satellite? No, create a satellite, guys, it is one of the project. The objective of that, the satellite launch vehicle, or guys, sometimes we are using, right, my brother, he worked with the ISRO, guys, that is the Indian Space Research Organization. So that is the reason whenever he is coming at home, we are discussing some basic information, guys, because confidentiality always there. So he after that he relocate in US, guys. Anyway, that is just information, he worked with that. So in that case, program, just, guys, information I am sharing of that. Remote sensing program, remote sensing, guys, that is the RS program, satellite program. And what is the purpose of that? The purpose is not development of the satellite. No, guys, the purpose of what? To understand the water resources, right? Improve, right? To improve the forestry, improve the ecology, guys, right? We can say, because, guys, these word, I think, Vasile, all of you are very much aware of it, and I think Anand very much aware of it. So this is what the example I told you, guys, multiple example. I hope, guys, I'm not a little bit fast. Please make a note, because if sometimes I am, in the explanation, guys, I go a little bit fast. So please update me if I am going a little bit fast, guys. So please, guys, my request to all of you, update me so I can slow down myself, because when I am coming in the explanation, I want to make the connectivity is important. So, guys, water, forestry, ecology, geology as well, right? Geology improvement, we have to have the improvement of the marine, guys, coastal management or not. So that is the basic concern, guys, for what? For the remote sensing program, remote sensing program. So that is what, guys, we need to, guys, there are three basic things over here. We need to, number one, we need to make a design for that, guys, remote sensing. After that, we need to make a launch the satellite. After the launch the satellite, guys, what is that? The data obtained, and this obtained data, guys, we can utilize what? On the ground, on this water, forestry, ecology, geology, marine, fisheries, coastal management, guys, earthquake management also. That is what, guys, we can say, right? Disaster management. So what is the purpose of that remote sensing satellite launch vehicle program? Guys, does it make sense what I want to say over here? What I want to explain, guys, that is, point is clear, that is simple, right? So program management, thank you, Blesson. Program management is not project management, guys. Please make it sure that you are not mixing two things. Program objective is different. Project objective, yes, as I told you, the project for that designing point of view. So if the designing point of view, if I can say that, if I can say that, the designing point of view, guys. So what does it mean? It means that we are always having, guys, in that case, sorry, in that case, guys, what we need to understand, we need to have, guys, something system engineering sub program. So under that sub program we are having, that is the system integration, navigation and control. So for the navigation and control, there is what, there is a project, thermal management project, because, guys, when the satellite is going into the orbit, right, we have to make a vehicle or the satellite, guys, which is the feasible in that environment. So the thermal project or not, thermal management project, guys, fully integrated launch vehicle ready to, guys, have a testing in that environment. After that, guys, we can also say that is the vehicle assembly. Vehicle assembly means the quality assurance project we have to initiate, right? Ground testing, guys, we have to make a load testing, flight testing sub program. We have to, guys, also launch pad of the construction program, guys. Launch pad means on the ground, so this is a ground sub program. Operational phase, in that operational phase on the ground, guys, we have to make what, we have to have a launch pad construction. Ground support equipment project, guys, we are also having, that is the safety environment project or not, because we have to make it sure whenever we are launching a satellite, there is a safety laws, regulation, minimize the environment impact. So how to minimize the environment impact, guys? That is the reason, guys, every organization, they do have the CSR project or not. CSR project, corporate social responsibility, they have to provide the midday meal, education, water and the sanitation program. I have done one program, guys, with the water, people for water fund are coming from the WHO, World Health Organization. And what is the program? Provide the wash, it is a wash type of the program, water, sanitation and hygiene program. Under that program, guys, we have to provide the water to the slum areas. We have to, guys, the objective I'm talking about, we have to provide the toilets, guys. We have to provide the education for that, guys, hygiene type of the program, right? The project. So multiple projects for the water, guys, we have to use the water tank pipeline. For the toilets also, that is the waste management and so on, and provide the education. So these are either, you can say, project or the component of the program. Objective what, guys? What is the objective of such kind of the program? The objective of such kind of the program, improve the lifestyle, of the people those are living in the slum area. I hope, guys, the point is clear. Objective. So strategic objective, guys, that is the reason we are starting a program. Project is meager. Project is, guys, component of a program. So project, the program objective is not development of the product. No, guys, this is not the output or the objective of the program. Working on the product manager is there, right? Visionary. So after that, the product manager, then project manager is what, is the execution, doing the execution, like more a doer. And the program manager, connectivity, interdependencies to achieve the strategic objective of the organization. As simple as that. I hope, guys, the point is clear what I want to say, right? My writing is fine, guys. I hope you will not mind my writing. So I have just
it's good.
Okay, thank you, Swandesh. So right, so what I want to say, guys, I have just given the concern over here, because, guys, I will not read the slide, and that is not my way. People, guys, those are aware of my like Anand or maybe Vasile or anyone, guys, who is in this batch, so they are very much aware of it. I don't use the slide, even though slide is there. So I have just explained that point, guys. Project, and that is the program. So program is what? It is the combination or defined as a related project, guys. A program, it is what? Subsidiary program. So subsidiary program, I told you the example, guys. Satellite launch vehicle is a program, right? Under that program, guys, there are several sub program. That is the, I told you, the launch execution sub program, right? That is what? Initial the flight operation, that is what? It is a sub program. Launching the site preparation, it is a sub program. So program, it is what? The objective, guys, main program. main program, that is the satellite launch vehicle, or as I told you, remote sensing program. It is the combination of subsidiary program, right? Combination of the related project, guys. Projects are related. I told you wash type of the program, projects are related. And what is the objective? Improve the lifestyle of the people those are living in the slum areas, right? And some supporting program activities, which means, guys, we have to identify the budget. We need to make it sure that from where the funds are coming, we need to fill the gap of the funds coming and the execution of the fund. We need to manage in a coordinated way to gain the benefit which is not available by managing the program individually, managing the projects individually. And that is the basic purpose, guys, to achieve the strategic objective of the organization. Strategic objective of the organization. I hope, guys, point is clear. Thank you very much. Already you told me. So, guys, our reference book is the SPM book, guys. That is the standard for the program management. Okay. So 5 topics I just want to segregate now, because these topic will help us a lot to continue in our next 3-day session, guys. Number 1, that is the output and the outcome, guys. Difference in between output. So output, already I have discussed with you. Output, what is that, guys? Which means the output, that is the result of any process, result of any task or the activity. So the output of the project can be a product or a service, capability to perform a service or a result. So output show what was produced, what was accomplished, right? Or but the outcome always show that the effect of these outputs. Outcome always shows the effect of these output, guys, desired result. So what does it mean, guys? Means organization able to ensure their efforts are achieving the desired result rather than achieving the or producing a product. I repeat, guys, that is what outcome. Organization make it sure that able to ensure that the efforts that we are doing, because output is nothing but it is the action, the efforts or the actions are achieving the desired result, guys, collectively, right? So rather than producing the product, we are talking about the result, guys. So output can be tangible, right? Outcome, it is what, guys? It is the consequences of a project, guys. Output, artifacts, broader, guys, focusing on the benefits and the value. I can say, guys, the outcome means it is always focusing on the benefits and the value that we are going to create. So the, guys, project under a single program may be completed successfully. For example, guys, under that, I will come back on this point. I am taking the example of the Apple Incorporation. Under that umbrella of the Apple Incorporation, guys, there are multiple portfolios. Portfolios that you can say, that is the Apple iPhone portfolio, guys, Apple iPad portfolios, guys, Apple TV, we can say, Apple MacBook, guys. Again, under the MacBook, we are having 2 sub portfolios, that is the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro, guys, professional. And then we do have, guys, one more, that is the, I think, music, Apple Music. Apple Music. Anyway, so Apple iPhone, what is that, guys? iPhone. So multiple programs are there. We are developing the product i17, but the objective is not i17, guys. The objective, it is what? The objective to gain the revenue, that is $2 billion. Product can be successfully completed, guys, but if it is not achieving the strategic objective for what purpose it has been initiated in the organization, it means, guys, program not successfully delivered. I hope the point is clear, guys. Project completed successfully, guys, completed successfully. That is because under that i17, guys, what are the things? If I can say the example, guys, 1 minute, because something that I want to share, that is fine, guys. 1 minute, I just want to open that. Right. So, guys, this is what This is the business need, or any program we can say over here. Visible guys? I hope so. So that is what guys we can say iPhone product. Increase the revenue. That is the objective of the iPhone. That is the $2 billion. So what are we doing? We are guys creating these component or not? Don't take me wrong guys, this is what, these are the components. So this is what, the faster processor. For example guys, it is just a number guys, so don't take me wrong. The latest we are having the 6-core CPUs. Rather than CPUs, we are using the chip M1 M2. Anyway, so clock frequency 6 gigahertz, camera resolution 200. It is an example guys, okay? So don't mix that, oh Apple i17 is having this, so maybe they are going to develop guys. One of my brother is in Apple guys now, so Apple head office California branch. Anyway, so battery capacity 100k, that is the mAh guys, that is the battery capacity, right? Micro ampere hertz. So charging via the solar energy, projection capability, and also the unbreakable screen. So this is what guys, product i17 we are producing. But what is the objective, Anand? The objective to gain or to increase the revenue of Apple organization by $2 billion. So the objective is not development of the iPhone 17 product. No, in that case, yes, these are the supporting elements, and for every elements lesson we have to start the projects or not. Am I right? So this is what it is known as the component. I hope guys the point is clear. Does it make sense? So that is the point guys. So output, and what I was saying guys, that is the outcome. So output, it is the action as I told you guys, and the outcome, what is that? Result or the consequences of a process or of a project guys, include the artifacts, broader intent guys, focusing on the benefits and the value. Output are one guys, that is coming out of the project guys, and the when outputs are all coming together, all the output. So project number one guys, project, or I will use the word component, right? Component is the more important terminology rather than project, because component is a supporting element for the program. Okay, so guys, I will use the word component, so don't mix it, otherwise it is somehow itself a project. Okay, so component guys, what is that we are using? When the component C1, C2, C3, or project P1, P2, P3 are coming together, so we are creating some capability guys or not? Some capability, it means we are providing the functionality to any product guys, and when the functionality are going to be integrated, then we do have some outcome guys. So output leads towards what? Towards the outcome guys. Outcome, I can say the example for your better understanding guys. We need to develop, Anand, we need to develop loyal customer base. Loyal customer base for your organization. What is that guys? It is outcome. How to make the loyal customer base guys in the organization? Multiple components associated. We need to take the feedback, we need to make the NPS, net promoter score, right? And also guys, we need to what? Improve the customer satisfaction guys. So improving the customer satisfaction, right guys? Improving the loyalty, building a loyal customer base, and also guys, we can say increasing the revenue of the organization by $2 million, 2 billion, or 3 billion, whatever. So these are what? These are the outcome guys. As I told you, all the outputs are coming together. We are creating the capability, loyal customer base, customer satisfaction, improving the customer satisfaction. So only providing a only providing the good product guys improve the customer satisfaction? No. Only guys, no. For example, this training, okay, I am delivering a training guys, which may satisfy your requirement, but it is not the only concern to make this program as a successful training guys, because we need support. Am I right guys? We need also other requirement, that is the study material, support for the application, support. Anand asked the question today guys, that is, I need your support to make the payment. Yes, I will support him, and not only him guys, to all of you I will support you guys accordingly. So improving the customer satisfaction, increasing the revenue for the any organization, that is what guys, this is the outcome. Output all are coming together so that we can creating a capability or providing the additional functionality guys.
Asjad, the
Anand,
black patches
please.
are coming.
Okay, good. Thank you very much sir for the update. Thank you. Immediately, this is the proactive communication, guys. Right information, right time to the right person so that we can take the right decision. Now clear? I think remove.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Anand. I like it. Everyone, guys, if you feel any black patches, because this is not from my side, this is from the Zoom, guys, and sometimes it happen because that is what your name mentioned in this black patch. Just for the information, I hope you are aware of it. Okay, output and outcome. So guys, I think you will not mix that. Output. Second, guys, we are going to create a difference in between, that is the benefit and the value. Most of the people, guys, they do have the misunderstanding benefits and the value, right? So value is the degree of benefit, and the benefit is what we are trying to refer. Right? Confused? I will take the example, don't worry, guys. So value, it is what? So benefit, it is a gain which is realized. What is benefit, guys? Benefit, it is a gain which is realized by the organization or by the stakeholder as a result of outcome. Got my point, guys? Result of outcome. Outcome is the result of the output. So output deliver outcome, and through the outcome, as a result, what we are getting, guys? We are getting the benefit, and the benefit, as I told you, that is the $2 billion we need. Benefit, it is a gain. So benefit is the degree at which you have fulfilled the requirement, guys. As simple as that. So means it is a gain realized by the stakeholder, requirement of the stakeholder, or realized by the organization as a result of outcome. Value is the degree, guys, of benefit, right? Benefit means what we are trying to refer. For example, guys, I can say that I am hungry today. Just an example to understand that. I am hungry today. I need food today. Am I right? Najib, Blesson, Gaurav. When I am hungry today. So I need food today, right? Not a grand meal in the 5-star hotel after 2 weeks from now. The grand meal after 2 weeks from now is not going to give me the value today. Are you getting my point, guys? Value. And that is the point I told you, guys. The benefit, what is the benefit after having the value? This is the point. Thank you, Gaurav. This is a gain realized by the organization or the stakeholder, guys. I need a food today because I am hungry, so it will be benefit for my energy, guys. Otherwise it will not create a value for me if I am getting that meal after one day. Even, guys, 2 weeks, I forget about that. Even the meal I am not getting today, guys, I will be feeling very hungry, and guys, it may be maybe, guys, something with my health also impacted. So benefit, guys, we are getting today when we are having a value. As simple as that. So I need a food today, not a grand meal tomorrow or day after tomorrow, guys, because grand meal does not create a value to me, guys, today. Right? So benefit versus value. Third one, guys, we just want to make it sure, that is what? That is the capability, guys. Capability. So capability is nothing but ready for operation, ability to do something, guys. So it means output, outcome, gain, benefit, and the capability, which is ability to do something. Right? So in that case, guys, ready for operation, I can say, guys, capability means ready for operation. Right. So I can say the example, guys, very simple, right? Vasile, as a construction manager, as a very senior person, guys, in the organization, it is a very big company, guys. That is the McDonald in Bahrain, right? Not in Bahrain, it is UK based company. Okay. So what is that? They have constructed the bridge, right? So bridge means the program for that, multiple factors, associated component for the bridges, right? C1, C2, C3, right? Wider the road, and the installation of the pillars and so on. After that, it is what, guys? That is the not open, is still not open. The bridge is ready for operation but is still not open, guys. Got my point? Capable but not operational. So it is not creating the value if it is not in operation, as simple as that. So this is the concern over here. Bridge is already constructed, completely successfully done, right, but is still not in operation, guys. So people are not getting the value. So it is not capable, guys, or capable but not operational, you can say. Capable to take the load, but is still governmental organization, they have not opened any bridge, that the bridge we have constructed. So this is the point, guys. Capability, ability to do something. The bridge is able to do something, take the load of the on the bridge, but is still not operation, right? So that is, guys, concern over here. In that case, we are also understanding the logic over here, which is known as, guys, because, guys, after that I will come to the program point of view. Just I am giving the background, because people are having misunderstanding with that. Benefit, value, output, outcome. And now, guys, we are using which is known as the organization vision and also the mission, because program management, guys, always help to achieve the mission and the vision. What is the mission, guys? Mission means that is why we exist. So mission will come first, guys. Mission means that is what, guys, sorry, that is the vision. Vision means that is what, moving from A to B, right? Moving from point A to B, that is our vision. And the mission means, guys, why do we exist, the reason why we exist, as simple as that, right? So means, let me take the example, guys, right? That is the example I can say over here, LinkedIn, because all of you are, guys, very much aware of it. LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, what is that, guys? The word networking platform for the professional, the biggest professional networking platform, guys, right? They have defined their vision, guys. If I can show you also, because the information came. So, guys, real information I'm showing to you. That is what I can say. LinkedIn vision statement, guys. I will show you, guys. LinkedIn vision statement. Yes, absolutely. It is what, guys, if I can say over here. Yes, vision statement, guys, of the LinkedIn. So what is that? This is the vision statement. Create the economic opportunity for every member of the global workplace. This is what, guys, that is the vision statement of LinkedIn. I repeat, create, guys, I think the visible, it is, guys, it is direct online. I'm just sharing with you. So create the economic. So no need to memorize. This is just an example, guys. So create, what is the vision of LinkedIn? To create economic opportunity for every member of the LinkedIn of a global workplace. And what is the mission statement, guys? The mission statement, that is what it is, connect the word professionals, right, to make them more productive and more successful, right? So that is what, guys, this is the mission statement of the LinkedIn. So in that case, this mission statement, I will go back, right? So in that case, guys, whenever we are talking about the mission statement, clearly outlines why are we doing this, right? So they always strive to connect the word professionals, right? And today millions of the professionals use that platform to share their knowledge, better professional networking, as well as grow in their careers or not. So in this case, guys, if I want to, guys, hire any resources, so what I will do, the first thing, I will go to the LinkedIn or not, even as a job seeker or even as an, guys, employer. I want to, guys, go to the LinkedIn. I will check the profile of any prospective candidate, right? And that is what, guys, we can hire that accordingly. So means that is the graph. If I can create, guys, it is something like that. This is the graph, guys, which is was something like that. Number one, first thing, guys, as per the standard coming vision, right? Second, guys, that is the mission we are having. And some organization, guys, they put interchangeably, so it is not a big deal, guys. Relax. Mission, vision, mission, whatever, but PMI is saying the information in that way, because doesn't matter which one is coming first, vision and the mission of the organization. After that, guys, what we do have, this is the, guys, organization strategy and objective. Organization strategy and the objective, guys, that is important. And this is the reason, what is the meaning of strategy, guys? Strategy, right? Mission and the vision, both of them leads towards the formation of the organization strategy, objective. So in a simple word, guys, can I say that strategy is nothing but it is the plan to achieve the goal? Make a thumbs up, guys, if you do agree with that. Strategy, organization strategy, it is a plan. Thank you, Najib. It is a plan to achieve a goal. So strategies are implemented by, now this is the third point, guys, or for whatever the point you can say. Thank you, Gaurav. So what is that? It is the strategies implemented by the portfolios. Strategies implemented, guys, the program in the organization or maybe the project, guys, right? And this is the point, we are in which place now. So guys, don't get confused. Program portfolio, sorry, project portfolio, we are talking about this program, right? That program or the portfolio or the project collectively, guys, what they will bring the changes to the organization or not. Are you getting my point, guys? Program or the projects or the portfolio, guys, what is the portfolio? I will explain, don't worry, guys. I am still in the program giving the segregation because people are having misunderstanding in these terminologies that I have discussed with you. So in that case, guys, organization initiate the portfolios or the program to create the business value. And obviously, guys, if I can say, what is the business value? Business value is nothing but that is the net quantifiable benefit which is derived by your business endeavor, your business endeavor. So if I can say, guys, over here, time versus the business value, a graph, right? In that case, today the business value of your organization somewhere here, after certain period of time, obviously, where would you like to see, guys? By having multiple programs in the organization. That is the point I told you, right? Organization typically initiate program or the portfolio or the project to generate the business value, right? What is the purpose, guys? Towards their vision. And this is the point what I told you, guys. Vision means that is the moving from point A to point B. That is the vision. And the vision, guys, of the LinkedIn, as I told you, moving from point 1 to point A to point B. So what is the vision, guys? So the vision, economic opportunities for every member of a global workplace, right? You can see, guys, over here there are million people, guys, right, associated with the LinkedIn, right? So I think I have made that. Anyway, the little bit research on that I have done it. So millions of the people, guys, the part of the LinkedIn nowadays, because their vision is very clear. Economic opportunities for every member of the global workplace. And what is the mission? Mission is what, guys? That is the, as I told you, why we exist, why LinkedIn exists. So if the LinkedIn is not working on their vision, so guys, they do exist? Obviously not. The purpose fulfilled? Obviously not. Objective fulfilled? Obviously not. So it is not a project. So LinkedIn, they are initiating multiple program every couple of months, guys. They have initiated, that is the LinkedIn business growth, right? You have to purchase the premium membership, and then you can search more and more and more, and this price and this professional price and this price. What the objective? Again, guys, achieve the objective to generate the revenue. And their mission, what is that, guys? The work professional, make them more productive, more successful, right? Opportunities for the global workforce across the globe, right? Around the world, every countries, guys. So yes, in that case, guys, as I told you, that is the organization, they have initiated. And what is that? The program or the portfolio or the project, guys, towards their vision, towards their vision, guys. So means in that case, multiple programs, as I told you, guys, they have initiated, right? Contribute towards their growth to reach the status where they are now, from X point to point B. So if today the value is somewhere here, obviously, guys, after certain period of time, where would you like to see, guys? Obviously the business value, guys, somewhere like that. So means that is the vision and the mission. And what is the strategic object? Strategy, guys, strategy is nothing but, as I told you, it is what, guys? Plan to achieve. Strategy is nothing but it is a plan to achieve, guys. long-term goal. So guys, that is the reason some people, they are having different thing, objective, that is, and the goal for a long term, guys, long term, while the objective always both look similar, guys, and yes they are, but this is what, guys, it is a short term objective, and the objective always must be a smart objective. Some people, they do believe it should be the smart goal. No guys, objective should be smart to achieve the goal long term. So specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and also time bound. So objective should be smart to achieve the goal, guys, right? So every couple of months or quarterly, they are initiating the program in the organization. How can we increase the number of the people on the LinkedIn platform? Objective, mission, vision statement, guys, right? So business value and the or the benefit are generated through what? Through the operation. Am I right, guys? The business value will be created through the operation. So LinkedIn, when we are using the LinkedIn, guys, to hire the resources, or as an employer to hire other resources, or maybe, guys, as an employee, I want to submit my profile to any company. So what is that, guys? That is what, guys, during the operation. So how to achieve the goal and the objective, that is what, guys, that is falling under the strategy, right? And to achieve the strategy, several plan we are going to create, or we are going to make. So portfolio, program, and the project. We are not talking about the project and the portfolio over here, guys. We are talking about the program management, guys, right? So in that case, what is, they are creating the value, guys. We can say creating the value. And yes, we are using the organizational resources throughout. Organizational resources. So this is the diagram, guys. We are using the segregation in between the vision, mission, strategy, objective, goal. Why? This is the, what are we initiating? We are initiating a program in the organization. Make a thumbs up, guys, if you do agree with that. My writing is fine, I hope so. Hi Anup, welcome back. So I think that message I have received from your coordinator that you will be a little bit late. Anyway, you didn't miss more, but yes, you missed something.
Yeah, sure. No, I'll catch up
Right.
on the recording. Thank you.
Sure. Because I got the information, I don't have right to say anything. Relax.
Thank you.
Okay,
Sorry.
prior information, right? Okay, so in that case, vision, mission, objective, guys. So I want to explain, that is what, guys, the organization. So guys, I know maybe you are very much aware of these type of the terminologies that I'm discussing, but guys, make it sure that, trust me, these words I'm going to take several times, and I don't want to have a confusion in that terminologies when we will be discussing all of these concept, strategy, vision, mission, organization, right? So organization, guys, what is that? It could be, guys, two types of the organization. Can be the performing organization, and the second one, which is known as the receiving organization, guys. So performing organization and the receiving organization, what does it mean? Performing, guys, performing organization that always delivering the outcome, guys. I am not using the word output now. Output, finish. Okay, output, those are the PMP certified, they are very much aware of it. Output of the project, which is the supporting element. So guys, even I am not using the word project, I will be using the word component, right? So component, it is what? It is a supporting document, sorry, supporting component, that is to achieve the program, guys, objective, that is what? Delivering the outcome. So performing organization, guys, what is that? Delivering the outcome. So in that case, performing organization is the organization actually doing the work, and the receiving organization, guys, is the organization actually receiving the benefit. Guys. So what is that? Performing, right, and the receiving organization, right? So in that case, I can extend that receiving organization, guys, they always actually seeing the benefit where the value comes in. The receiving organization, guys, I can take the example, that is a client, right? Client, or it could be the end user, guys. The client, when guys, I work for IT company, pharmaceutical company, just I can say, guys, what I want to say. So I have delivered, I think someone in from Boston Scientific. So I have done the work project for them, guys, as a PMO, guys, AVP, assistant vice president of that. So in that case, it is the main objective, guys. They provide the IT solution, right? Software as a solution, as SaaS, software as a solution to the pharmaceutical company. So we have delivered the program for the pharmaceutical company, right? Who is benefiting from the work that we have delivered, guys? That the work done only the pharmaceutical company? No, guys, it is not only the pharmaceutical company, it is the actual physician, patient also. So this is the point, guys, performing organization and the receiving organization. So what I told you, guys, receiving organization actually seeing the benefit where the value comes in. Receiving organization can be client or the user, guys. So that is the example I told you, organization. Does it make sense, guys, as of now? So these are what, guys, these are the basic terminologies I want you to keep in your mind. It is already in the recording, guys, anyway, right? These information, because the slide that I have shown it to you, guys, it is approved by the PMI, first of all. So such information, guys, we cannot write in the slide because these documents come from the PMI and approved document by the PMI. So some information, guys, we cannot add in the slide, but yes, in the guys discussion, in the white page, guys, in the recordings, we can add anything. We are not restricted to, because, guys, I have to follow, as I told you, I am the authorized trainer by the PMI, so we have to make the slides according to the PMI guidelines only. But example, guys, we can take. Okay, so in that case, guys, what I want to say now, this is the topic I'm going to start, guys. What is a program? What is a program, guys? I think now the point is little bit clear, guys. What does it mean? So when I have interacted so many professional, guys, globally distributed, guys, I can see that is still they do have a gap in comprehending the program management concept. They feel, guys, I'm just giving that example I told you because I am starting the program and the program management. So I want to repeat that statement. Maybe Anup can recall that, or maybe can understand what we have discussed. So, guys, I have seen that people are believing that 10 projects we are managing simultaneously and they are the program manager. No, guys. No, managing 10 projects with the common resource, guys, C means common resource, managing the 10 projects with the common funding, managing the 10 projects with the common processes, guys, you are not a program manager, still you are a project manager, guys. Maybe the senior manager, maybe the project director, guys, right? But you are not a program manager, guys. Make it sure, guys. So managing the common resource, common funding, common processes is still you are what, guys? You are the project manager. Or the common tools also, I can say, guys, or the common techniques that you are using. So what is that, guys? Is still you are a program manager, maybe, guys, senior manager, maybe, guys, the project director, but not program. So what is a program, guys? So if program management is not managing the multiple project, right? If it is not managing what? Managing the same resources, common funding processes. So what is that, guys? As per the PMI, guys, I can show you a program. It is nothing but, guys, direct definition I am coming to over here, guys. A program, it is what? Related project, subsidiary program, and also some supporting program activities. So, guys, the concern objective over here, that is what? Related projects. And the example already I have given it to you, that remember, Vasile, I have taken your example, that is the construction, urban development, or we can say the city redevelopment. So we are having, guys, infrastructure improvement. Under that we are having roadways construction, utility upgrade, public transportation enhancement, building, guys, that is the housing initiatives, we can say commercial development, amenities, guys, that is the facilities, like you can say, guys, the amenities means, guys, that is the, I can say, it's not coming my mind the word park. Yes, amenities means the facilities, park, right? The recreation of the park, landscape and enhancement. So all of these are what? The related or not? Am I right, guys? So this is what a program, it is what it is, the comprises related project, subsidiary program and the other program activities to manage them in a coordinated way, guys. Obtain the benefit which is not available by managing these things individually. What is the use, guys, if I will be working only on the amenities, guys, that is the facilities? No use, guys. Only the park? No. This is the reason whenever we are developing a park, guys, we are developing multiple things in the park, right? Sitting area, walking area, as well as the children playground, because people will come for the children point of view in the park. We want to also, guys, we want to make a pond, or maybe majority of the park, Vasile, if I can take your example, in Bahrain, near to the seaside or not, majority of the park, right? Just an example I'm saying, guys. So specific country wise I'm taking the example, guys, but anyway it is fine. So program, similarly, guys, the program, as I told you, that is the satellite launch vehicle. So satellite launch vehicle, or we can say that I told you, that is the remote sensing program, guys. Remote sensing program, what is that? We need to operate the ground station, right? Is for control data transfer, and in that case we can develop what? Develop in the fisheries, geological, right, as well as the, you can say, the coastal management, earthquake management, and so on. Obtain the data, and this obtained data we can apply on the ground. So the objective, guys, to manage them in a coordinated way to obtain the benefit which is not available to gain individually, or we are, if in case we are managing them in silos individually, right? So the component are what? Related through their, guys, that is the pursuit of the goals, contribute to the delivery of the benefits. I hope, guys, you got my point. So what does it mean, guys? As a program manager, that is what, guys, that is the program, it is nothing but this is the related projects, subsidiary program or sub program, guys, both are same thing, and also the program activity. So in that case, guys, what does it mean? We will be discussing, guys, subsidiary. I have discussed somehow, right? That is what, guys, together the project, subsidiary program and the program activities, guys, manage, right, in a coordinated way within the program, guys. That is what, guys, the program. Got my point, guys? So program, it is what, guys? Related component, guys. Again and again I am using that terminology, related, because I want to make it sure, guys, when you will go for the examination, so that is, make it sure the related component. Project, guys, I am using, as I told you, that is also known as the components, related component. So in that case, now what is the relationship factor between them? Anyone, guys? Now I think we have discussed so many things as of now. So what is the relationship factor in between this project, subsidiary program and the program related activities? The relationship factor, guys, relationship factor, it is not common people. Relationship factor, guys, it is not common process, it is not common funding, it is not common infrastructure support. So if these are not the factor of the relationship between this component, right, Anand, so what is the component of the program? If these are not the factor of the relationship, Naved, yes please.
Outcome or value?
Be specific, be specific. Very good, I like it. I like it. I am not saying so, guys. We are not here to judge. We are here to learn. You can say any terminology, right? So we will explain accordingly. Very good. Thank you, Naved. Swandesh, yes. If these are not the yeah, please.
Yes, I was thinking about output, the projects, the components of the output, and then we will be outcome through the
output, outcome. Good. Now continue, sir. After that, I told you third part. You will laugh, guys. We have discussed that. That is the benefit.
Yes.
Remember that point? Very good. So, guys, it means if that is not the relationship, guys, common people, no. Common processes, no. Common funding, common infrastructure support, no. So if these are not the relationship factor, guys, so what is the relationship factor? The relationship factor, benefit. Benefit, guys. The factor is the benefit. Please guys pay attention on that. So in this case, these project or the subsidiary program or the related activities, right, they are managed within a program, they are coordinated in a program to obtain the benefit, as simple as that. I repeat, to obtain the benefit. So this is the reason only for you, Anup, because I told you, I already explained that. I want to make it sure that you can also even capture that point. We are not here to develop any product, first of all. That is the product manager role. We are not here, guys, to execute that product like a project manager. That is a project manager role. Deliver that project on time, and the output of the project is a product, service, capability to perform a service or a result, guys. No, we are here to understand what, guys, the benefit, to obtain the benefit, intended benefit. And this is the reason I told you guys, for the Apple point of view, they have initiated under the umbrella of the Apple Incorporation. I-17 is one of the product, but this is not the objective, guys. Objective is not to develop the product. Maybe under that umbrella of the product, guys, they want to upgrade their camera, 200 megapixel, guys. Let me go back. 200 megapixel capacity of the camera, right? They can go for that. Yes. 1000 microampere hours, right? That is what the battery capacity. So these are the component delivered successfully. But if the people are not purchasing this, guys, I-17, objective achieved? Think about it, guys. I think in your, close your eyes and think about it. Objective achieved? No. That
No.
is the role of the thank you, Samandesh. That is the role of the program, guys, in the objective. So people, they don't want to, they are happy with I-14, guys. For example, I'm not promoting Apple, guys, I'm just taking an example. People are happy with I-14. So what are you doing, guys? You are making a marketing campaign or not? Marketing campaign. Oh, you can have a battery capacity this much, one time charge, 1 month finish. Forget about that, the battery, right? No drain. In that case, charging through the solar energy. If you are walking in the morning, so at the time of the walking, guys, the automatically chargeable your mobile. Because nowadays the major problem we are facing, that is the charger or not. Am I right, guys? All the stations, platform, or guys, you can say even the plane and the that is, you can say, guys, that is the airports, guys, they have upgraded because of the new charging sockets or not. Why? Everyone is using the smartphone. Just I'm saying that program development of that. So yes, these are the few factors, but this is not the purpose of the program. These are the projects we are initiating in the organization to support the strategic objective of Apple. And what is that strategic objective? To increase the revenue by $2 billion, plus or minus, guys. I'm not saying exactly 2 billion, somehow. And this is the reason, guys, every year or maybe every couple of years they are upgrading their product or not. I am not saying, guys, only Apple, Samsung, iPhone, they are bringing a new product in the market. Oh, this is the unscratchable, lightweight, projection capability also that much. You can fold it down your mobile from at any angle, from any floor, right up to you can operate the mobile also within the swimming pool. 5 bar pressure, guys, also 5 bar pressure you can, guys, operate, and nothing will happen to our phone, and so on, guys. Smart watches also. So these are what, these are the product, but this is not the purpose of the program to achieve the strategic objective. Is the purpose of the program to obtain the benefit for what we have initiated, right? So in that case, by doing these projects within the program, if we can obtain the benefit, very good, guys. So means these projects are the part, should be the part of the program, guys. But if by doing these project in silos, oh, one you have done, what do you think, guys? Can we achieve the benefit of alone? No, you cannot sell, guys, only the camera, the I-17, because of the camera resolution. Camera resolution is one of the factor, one of the component, but they are not promote. Yes, they can promote this, but this is not only objective to achieve, to be achieved, guys. Yes, this is one of the marketing factor. Camera resolution, oh, very high of this Apple, 200. I know, guys, it is not 200 as of now. Just I'm taking the example. So in future, we don't know, because this is the era of the artificial intelligence. What will happen? We don't know. In the next I-16 will be coming, guys, on 9th. right, on 9th of September, they are going to launch I16 product, guys, right? And then I17 and so on. So this is the point, guys. Got my point? Benefits. So they are always focusing on delivering the benefit. So if these projects are not managed in the program, and these are not, guys, or they are managed in discrete manner or in silos, the benefit not possible, guys. So it will not be considered as a component of the program. Maybe the project completed successfully, guys, but it does not mean program completed successfully. Program objective not achieved. And this is the reason, guys, if I can take the example, guys, benefit. So benefits, we are having two type of the category. Number one, it is known as the incremental benefit, guys, and the second one, which is known as the unified benefit. I repeat, guys, incremental benefit as well as it is known as the unified benefit. So unified benefit, guys, what can I say? That is nothing but, guys, I told you the disaster management, or the better example, guys, for the unified benefits, I can say, because I think some people are also from healthcare. Swandesh, very good. Yes. So Swandesh, I can take, because other example I have taken, right? So Swandesh
Yeah.
example now I can take. And so I have taken, guys, IT, because this is a mix, and this is the beauty to understand. Maybe one person is not getting through IT example, another people can, guys, understand through construction, or maybe from the healthcare, or n number of the example, guys, I do have for your better understanding. So now, guys, it is the point for Swandesh, right time. So I can say, first of all, guys, I would like to share the unified benefit. Unified benefit, guys, what is that? I can say that is the co-vaccine program, guys. Co-vaccine. So I hope all of you are very much aware of it, guys. The co-vaccine development program. So co-vaccine, that is what at the time of the COVID-19, guys, that is what, guys, co-vaccine. And the co-vaccine, guys, COVID-19, the name of that, guys, the name of the medicine was the Covaxin, Covaxin. The name, guys, and the code was BBV152. Covaxin BBV152. It is a real COVID-19 vaccine, guys, by the Bharti Biotech. Just an example, guys. What is the strategic objective, guys? Strategic objective, and that is a program, co-vaccine program, development program. Right. So what is the strategic objective of this co-vaccine program, guys? The strategic objective to develop that medicine, test, right? I repeat, guys, develop, after that test that medicine, obtain the regulatory approvals, guys. After the approval, we have to distribute, and after that, make it sure that, guys, this medicine combat with the COVID-19 pandemic. And they have done it. So it is what? It is a new drug development program, guys. Drug development program. And what is the name of that drug? This is the Covaxin BVV152. Just a number, Savandesh, I'm saying that. Anyway, it is just. So in that case, development program, guys, what is the strategic objective? As I told you, clinically evaluate, obtain the approval, testing, and after that, distribution for the safe and the effective, as a, I repeat, as a safe and effective COVID-19 vaccine, right? So in that case, under that, guys, under that drug development, which is the co-vaccine, guys, program, what is that? There are several sub program, guys. What is that? Several sub program, we can say, guys. First of all, they have done the research, guys, research, and also it is known as a preclinical development. Preclinical development, guys. Example is fine, no problem. I hope you are getting my point. Research and the preclinical development, that is what, guys, this is the sub program under the umbrella of the drug development. So, guys, what is that? We have to identify the antigen, guys. Antigen we need to identify. We need to SARS also, guys, right? Strain and the development of the vaccine formulation. So that is what, guys, program we have to have, guys. After that, this is the preclinical testing animal, guys. That is what? Preclinical animal testing. What do you think, guys? Always we are applying or the medicine directly to the human body? Obviously not, guys. There is an animal, and animal also there are some stages. And what are those stages, guys? First of all, we are making, that is the mice. After mice, guys, we are having the rabbit. After rabbit we are using a long study, guys, I have done, because as I told you on the that is the Boston Scientific Research, I have done several program, guys, over there. So what is that, guys? Mice, after that rabbit, after the rabbit, guys, it will go to the monkey directly, because monkey is the nearest human body, guys, right? And our ancestors also, the science says, according to the Darwin, according to the another scientist as well. Anyway, so because, guys, directly we cannot implement on the monkey, because monkey is very expensive in comparison to mouse, in comparison to rabbit, right? And after that only we can apply the medicine to the, to whom, guys? To the human being. Are you getting my point, guys? So preclinical also testing after the development, to whom, guys, we are applying. So it is itself a program, that is, you can say, sub program, right? Testing on the animal models, guys. So first of all, we have to make it sure that immunogenicity as well as the potential efficacy, guys. So there are trials always we are conducting, right, on the non-human parameters, right? Monitor their immune responses and then evaluate the safety profiles from them, and then we will go for the human body, guys. So this is what, guys, this is the clinical, guys, what I told you, preclinical development. And after, guys, okay, everything is done, so we are having the third, guys, this is the sub program we are using, that is known as the clinical development, guys. Clinical development. So in that clinical development we are having the phase 1 trial, guys, voluntary trial we are having. We are having, guys, secondary trial. We are having the tertiary trial. So all of these trial, guys, are what? These are the component: trial number 1, trial number 2, trial number 3. On that, guys, a large scale trial to confirm the vaccine efficacy, guys, preventing the COVID-19. We have done it, right? Second trial, guys, expand the testing larger group. And the first trial, guys, what is that? That is the we are recruiting the healthy volunteers, right, who can administer the vaccine, guys, right? They can also react in a better way. So that is the reason, guys, in the human being also we have done the trial in the presence of the doctor on the teenagers, because teenagers are the most healthy people, guys. Teenager age, that is 13 to 19, right? Teenagers, so they are very healthy. So the recruit the healthy volunteers, right, and monitor for adverse reaction. We have checked trial number 1, trial number 2, trial number 3. Once the trial done, guys, the fourth sub program we have initiated, guys, that is the regulatory approval, guys, because before the trial we cannot take the approval regulatory. So regulatory strategies we have to, guys, take the approval from, that is what, that is the agencies like the WHO, World Health Organization agency. Also, guys, in India it is known as the CDSCO, right? So these are what? These are the agencies, right? And we have given the additional information to take the approval, right? So from the health authorities. After that, guys, we have taken the approval for the emergency use, EUAs, emergency use authorization. So this is a component, guys, component under that WHO and the regular authorities, right? And then what we will do, guys, we will authorize for the distribution, guys. Distribution of what? Distribution of the co-vaccine. So, guys, what do you think? The benefit, can we get it, guys, after combining all of these things together or not? Guys, I hope, does it make sense what I want to explain over here? So this benefit will be considered as a unified benefit, guys. Individually, okay, for example, you have done only the market research or the preclinical trial. Benefit achieved, guys? Benefit achieved? Obviously not.
No, no.
Benefit not achieved, right? Okay, we have done, guys, that is the preclinical animal testing. Benefit achieved? No, because what is the objective, strategic objective of this program? That is the drug development, which is the co-vaccine BBV152, guys. What is that? So in that case, we need to help to combat the COVID-19 pandemic to the patient, guys. Objective will be achieved only it is successfully implemented to the human being, and the human being, guys, they are what? They are getting cure after applying that medicine. That is the point, guys. Benefit. So the output, several project, guys, several programs, sorry, not program, several projects or the component, guys, you have completed successfully. But guys, there is no use. There is no use to individually. So the objective, strategic objective of the company, guys, will be achieved when all the thing done and the people getting cured by this application of that medicine, right? So this benefit, guys, will be considered as what? As a unified benefit. I hope, guys, you got my point. Unified benefit. Similarly, guys, I can say the example of the unified benefit already I have taken, guys. That is the remote sensing program. Remote sensing program, guys, individually program, you have completed the design. Benefit achieved, guys. Can you achieve? Because what is the strategic objective of this? The strategic objective of the remote sensing program or the satellite launch vehicle program, obtain the data, and this data will be helpful for the agriculture, water resources, fisheries, coastal, guys, and also you can say ecology, geology, marine, and so on. This data will be helpful, right? You can say also disaster management. So in that disaster management, that is what, guys, this data will be useful. So you have completed, guys, if I can say, you have completed the ground one, groundwork, ground program. And the ground program, what I told you, guys, that is the system engineering, as well as the second one I told you, which is known as the site preparation sub program. So site preparation is ready, but the objective achieved? No, guys. Vehicle, launch vehicle ready. Objective achieved? No. Objective, guys, you have executed. Objective achieved. What is the use, guys, if the satellite went to the wrong orbit? And this has happened, guys, for the SLV launch vehicle, guys, earlier. Stage number 2. The first stage was very fine, right, by ISRO, and the second stage got mad. So instead of the orbit, it went to what gear, guys? I hope you have heard that. It went to the Bay of Bengal. The first, guys, stage was very well, but second stage, guys, that is what went to the Bay of Bengal. So many crores wasted. So means objective achieved. So project completed successfully, but the objective not achieved because we have not received the data from that. As simple as that. We have not received the data, and if we have not received the data, then, guys, how can we implement this data for the development of any particular country? For the development, rather than country, I will say, guys, the development of the human being life. Development, agriculture, water, forestry, ecology, geology, marine, fisheries, coastal, disaster management, and so on. So yes, this is the human being, guys, the purpose, objective to launch a satellite vehicle, guys, unified benefit. So these benefit we cannot achieve in silos, right? One project we are going to execute, can we achieve, guys? Obviously not. Does it make sense, guys? What is the meaning of that benefit? So this is what it is known as a unified benefit. Benefit is also unified. Second example, guys, I can say, which is known as the that is known as, guys, your incremental benefit. Incremental benefit, guys. So now I think whose balance as of now. So I can take, guys, incremental benefit, right? I will take Vasile example, or maybe Najib. I think 1 minute, guys. I'm just, because example I need to make it sure. Banking, who is that? Najib is from the banking, and also George. Oh, very good. So two people are from that side, Najib and George. So, guys, weightage to these people I am taking. Sorry, guys, don't take me wrong. I'm taking the example according to the people, those are part of that, so that they can easily understand. I hope, guys, you are getting my logic over here. Does it make sense what I am trying to explain through these examples? Because topic, guys, through the examples only we can understand this logic. Otherwise, if you are going to read the SPM book, guys, does not give that much of detail, because it is in a very prescriptive way, guys, like a doctor prescription. Only the total number of the pages, guys, I can show you 262, but out of 262, guys, their last 50-60 pages indexes, and, guys, some pages also, that is the like that, guys, so like 20. So actual number of the pages, guys, only 200. Appendix, indexes, so glossaries, no use, references. So actual pages only 1 minute, guys, no use, no use, no use, right? No use. So these are what, just anything, guys, like that. So there is no use on that appendix, right? and so on, guys. Anyway, so these pages, guys, you can see only 200 and plus some pages in the beginning. So actual number of the pages, guys, we can say 180 maximum, 180 or 90 maximum, not more than that. So this much of information not possible, guys, to have from the SPM version number 5. So let me take the example, guys, as I told you, people from the background of the banking background. So guys, we have done the project on behalf of the IBM, guys. What is that incremental benefit I'm talking about, guys? Right? So IBM, obviously all of you are very much aware of it. This is what, guys, that is the IBM. It is what, guys? International Business Machine, right? So IBM, and the IBM client was Citibank, guys, right? So now I am taking the example, guys. What is that? That is the incremental benefit. So IBM, guys, they have done one program for the Citibank as a client, guys, right? So performing the program based on the Citibank requirement. Right. So Citibank already signed a contract, guys, in between, guys, between the IBM and the Citibank. What is a contract, guys? I am not going to discuss the what is a contract, because you know that it is not procurement topic, guys. Project management, you all of you have done it. So contract, just for the information, it is a legally binding document in between two or more than two parties, right? So in that case, Citibank and the IBM already signed the contract, right? So the contract was that IBM will provide the application, SaaS application, guys, that is the software as a service. SaaS, right? It is mentioned like that, small a. SaaS, that is the software as a service. So software as a service, where the entire software and the product, right, or that service will be within the organization property of IBM, but Citibank going to use that application, right? So that is what IP rights belongs to the Citibank. IP rights belongs to the Citibank, but yes, that entire product property of the IBM, that is mentioned in the contract. Just information I'm going that. So based on the, guys, requirement of the mobile banking application, IBM is going to perform, or they have performed, guys, develop the mobile app. That was the, guys, mobile app for whom? For the Citibank, guys. So in that case, some feature and the function, guys, we are having, that is, guys, some features and the function they requested. Number one, that is the transaction inquiry. 1 minute, guys. I think I do have this in the 1 minute, guys. I can show it to you. Yes, that is what, guys, incremental benefit. So I can say, guys, rather than writing everything, so IBM is the performing organization, Citibank, guys, is a customer mobile application. So the requirement from the Citibank, that is, guys, 5 requirement: transaction inquiry, fund transfer, bill payment, service request, and also trading, one of that requirement. So means performing inquiry, guys, that is what, transaction inquiry of all the transaction they have performed within the n period of time, within a month, within a day or year, so on, whether the scope of that transaction inquiry. Another feature, guys, that is what, that is the fund transfer. So the Citibank customer can use this mobile application to transfer the fund, guys, right? That is the intra funding and the inter funding transaction, guys. Intra funding, inter function, guys, that is what, within the organization to organization, Citibank to Citibank, and also Citibank to another bank, guys, they can, right? So inter fund transaction as well as the intra fund transaction, guys, we are having. So intra means within the same bank. Similarly, guys, HDFC, similarly other bank, SBI to SBI. So at the time of the application, guys, you are using, so they are asking within the bank or outside, correct? So intra means within the same bank, and the inter means, guys, that is the outside bank transfer. So means Citibank to HDFC, Citibank to JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, or any other bank, or Standard Chartered, HSBC, and other bank fund transfer, guys, you are having. So this is the another feature of the mobile application. Third one, guys, that is the bill payment functionality. What does it mean? That is the bill payment, which means make the payment of the insurance policy, water bill, electricity bill, right, credit card payment bill, right, and also property tax, electricity, mobile recharge, service bill, whatever the bill payment services, and right, the mobile application also will have a feature for that, right? Bill payment, fund transfer, service request, guys. What is that, guys? You can service request, they can change their pin. They can change their address, and this is the reason automatically, guys, now the application they have updated every couple of months. They will be giving you a notification, right? Update your password. So what is that? Change the pin using, and one notification will come to your mobile. They can change their address, they can change their card limit, and many other services, guys. This program we have completed, I think, 10 years back. Just taking the example of the incremental benefit, this is the reason, because now it is very common in always in every bank you are using that, right? So means serving only earlier it was the service from the branch only, but now, guys, you are using the application. We know that 10 years before it was not that much of familiarity with the app, guys. So in that case, another feature, that is what, guys, that is the trading feature. Request by whom? By the Citibank, guys. So Citibank customer can open their trading account. They can do trade in any stock, right? Nasdaq or the BSE or any other global stock exchange, Najib. So the trading services will be integrated with the multiple stock exchange. So that could be the feature of that mobile example, right? So this example, guys, for your understanding point of view. So each of feature, guys, that is the fund transfer, transaction, bill payment, guys. What is that? These are the projects itself or not? P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 projects or the component. Another project, guys, that I told you, the bill payment functionality, deliver the project, start and having any finish date, guys. Okay, once, guys, the project finish in any manner, there are some relationship, right? They can be initiated based on the program management planning. So program manager, guys, have to plan based on the customer expectation, based on the constraints environment. They have to plan in a manner that the project will be initiated to deliver the benefit, but the benefit in the incremental way. For example, guys, transaction inquiry, guys, completed successfully. It is tested, meeting its functional and the non-functional requirement, guys, as per the bank, guys, that is the Citibank. So now IBM transaction this feature, guys, with the first version of the mobile app, version number 1 mobile app, guys, right? And which only have a feature which is the transaction inquiry only, mutually agreed in between the IBM and the Citibank, guys. And even after having that completed testing and go live, correct, guys? Transaction inquiry application done, go live. Then, guys, release the app. Customer don't have to wait for a, guys, benefit that all the application must be there, right? But in an incremental manner, so they can start using the service and start realizing the benefit. Transaction inquiry, so earlier the customer have to go to the branch, guys, but now they what, they have to, guys, check it, the transaction inquiry, through the mobile app. Yes, we have created our LMS portal, guys. So LMS portal earlier only the website. After that, guys, we have uploaded the documentation. After that, feedback came from the participant. Once we have received the feedback, we launch, go live. So, right, so the one thing is achieved, objective achieved, and go ahead. So realizing the benefit, transaction inquiry. So they will deliver the transaction inquiry. Customer will get the benefit. They do not have to make a phone call or visit the branch to inquiry about the transaction they have performed today or 1 month be or right or the or yearly basis. So what does it mean, guys? IBM will get the incremental benefit because they can bill to the Citibank once the feature has been accepted and go live. Guys, make a thumbs up, guys, if you do agree with that. They can charge, we can make a bill, and we have done in the same manner, guys. This type of the project, the program we are doing in an incremental manner. So incremental benefit we are getting because we have, thank you very much, thank you Najib, thank you Blesson, thank you Naved. So we have, guys, what, incremental, we have done bill, right, bill to the Citibank. Once the feature accepted, go live, and right, go both the organization, performing organization, guys, who is the performing? IBM here, the performing, and the Citibank, that is what, guys, that is the receiving organization getting benefit. The customer, this is the point. I hope I remember, guys, I told you the example of that. The end user also, right? Remember that benefit? Yes. So receiving organization, performing organization, receiving organization. Receiving organization is getting the benefit in the form of the client, maybe the user. Yes, benefit, guys. I don't need to go and visit the branch every time where I do have the my account. So in that case, guys, okay, after that, the customer organization also, they are getting the incremental benefit, and this process continue. Fund transfer completed. After that, guys, we will go for the new application, the new, guys, the component what I said, that is the fund transfer, bill payment, service request, and also the trading, guys. So these benefit, guys, it is what, this is the incremental benefit. Earlier benefit, co-vaccine, I have discussed with you, Swandesh, with respect to what, which is the unified benefit, guys. Similarly, the launch vehicle, that is the unified benefit, guys. Similarly, if I can say the incremental benefit, guys, that is the development infrastructure. So we can improve the guys, the bus service, transport service, we are improving, even though our product, or sorry, even though our program is what, it is the city development, city redevelopment, and one of the program, guys, sub program, I can say, under that umbrella, that is the improvement of the roadway construction, improvement of the guys, wider the streets, improve the drainage system, and guys, paving roads. One program delivered the benefit, people, they are going and utilizing the bus services, guys, because the road are now big. So what does it mean, guys? That also will be considered as a, guys, incremental benefit. Step by step, road is ready, go ahead. And this is the reason, Vasile, if I can say your example, in that case, the first of all, we are creating the road first or not. Whatever the project you have done, I know you have done n number of the project in your life. Durat al Bahrain decap, Durat Khalij al Bahrain, or you can say that is the Rifa views, or you can say that is the Diyar al Mohrak. These are the very big project that you have done as a consultant, Vasile. So first of all, what are you creating? You are creating the road first or not, because that is the basic requirement. Once the road is ready, once the bridge is ready, rest of the things we can make it easy. So that is what the incremental benefit. Final touch up we will be giving later on, that is a different point. And this is the reason for the road we are making 2-3 layers, layer number 1, layer number 2, layer number 3, and the last layer, everything is done, and then we will be out of that particular, whatever the you can say, guys, that is the, what you can say, that is the very big, guys, you can say the they have initiated. So there was a program, guys, improve the living standard of the people in a cost effective manner. That was the project, guys. Project name, I just want to make it sure, guys, that project I have been there, but from the different organization, that project is known as a Durrad al Bahrain, guys. So just for the information, for because, guys, people, those are not very much aware of it. So this is the project, guys. This is the total 7 island, and the program of that, guys, improve the benefit of the people in the cost luxury look, guys. So these are total 7 islands, and these islands are known as the atoll and petol. Atoll and petol, guys, the form of that, if I will show, guys, maybe that is Durat al Bahrain, guys. So this is known as the petal, guys. It is a fish size, and you can see, guys, every villa, these are the luxury villas over there. These are the roads, and then landscape areas, and so on, guys. Just for the information, right? Like that. So that is a very big program, guys, and this is, it is known as the atoll. Atoll, guys, it is like a hook of the fish, guys. Just for the information, a very big, guys, 7 island in the form of, as I told you, like that. So luxury villa, so improve the living standard of the people, right? The living in that, not only for that specific country, guys, multiple countries people, they can come and invest, like it, guys, Palm City in Dubai. Objective is different, invest, bring the money in the country, and they have initiated a program to achieve the strategic objective. And what was the strategic objective, guys? The strategic objective, from oil dependent economy to the guys, oil dependent economy to oil dependent economy to the, guys, what we can say, we are traveling always, that is the tourist economic
Tourism.
Right, tourism. Yes, yes. Thank you, Najib. Tourism. So oil economic, guys, that is the dependent country to the tourism dependent. That is the strategic objective. Entire guys, country objective. I'm saying that. Yes, because the oil and gas limited is still we do have 100 years, but guys, still it is a limited one. Right, so they are talking about from the oil dependent to the tourism dependent. So they have changed the strategy, country based strategy. I hope guys the point is clear. So what I was discussing over here, that is the benefit, guys. So we are getting the benefit, and the benefit, guys, again, that is the incremental benefit as well as the unified benefit. So the example I have discussed with you guys, that is what the benefit with respect to what, guys, with respect to the sorry, with respect to what, guys, the benefit, that is the IBM example I have discussed, Citibank. Incremental. Unified benefit, that is your drug development program. Unified benefit, that is the launch vehicle program, guys. That is the remote sensing program for the development of the human being, guys. Does it make sense, guys? Please make a thumbs up if you do agree with that. So program, I hope guys the point is clear. It is not project, multiple component, multiple projects we are initiating right in the organization to achieve the strategic objective of the organization. Very good, thank you. Thank you guys, thank you very much. So as per the rule, guys, sorry, as per the ground rules of my session, 12:30. Sorry guys, I took extra 7-8 minutes. So that is the time to break, guys. So see you after the break. Thank you. We can take a break now. Okay, see you guys after the break.
Azid, can
Yes,
I
Naveed,
ask a
please.
question?
Yes, please, sir. Please, why not?
Does the size of the initiative also kind of decides whether it's an program or
No,
should qualify as a project?
no, no,
Why
no,
I'm
no.
asking, I'll just give an example. Suppose Saudi Arabia decides to develop a new township with the benefit objective, that is to drive more tourism instead of
Right,
oil
instead
economy.
of the
And part
oil
of
based.
yeah, and part of the so this will qualify as a program, and the within that township there is an amusement park which is also there. So
Hmm.
which will be like a sub program or a project, right?
Right,
Now,
right.
Dubai decides that they will be developing an amusement park with the same objective, but the size of the amusement park is similar to like the Disney amusement park. So that in
Hmm.
itself, uh, again from the objective of having more tourism,
Hmm.
towards Dubai. So
Right,
the size of the amusement park will itself be very huge. So that again will be treated as a program within which there
right,
will be a lot of sub programs.
right,
So
right.
in one case, amusement park is becomes a project. In other case, amusement park becomes a program because of the size, right?
No, 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 no. This is the point. Important thing is what? Why? To gain the benefit. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
In both the cases, Naved, in both the cases, what is the objective? To gain the benefit. Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
getting my point? Gain the benefit. And if it is the matter of the benefit, it is a program. Different size.
Okay.
So, sir, can you compare that, Naved? Very good question. Thank you very much. You raised satellite launch vehicle, Naved, with respect to the development of the city development. There is comparison. No, because satellite launch vehicle, it is a maybe 6-7 cities can be done in the same one program. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
But still both are what? The program, because the objective to gain the benefit. And this is the reason. Second very good example, and thank you very much. You raise a very good question over here, because what is the output of the project? What is the project? Project is giving you the deliverable. Am I right?
Yeah.
This training is a project having a specific beginning and the end date finish. Okay, training finish. So training means within the time, within the budget, all right, stakeholder satisfied. So we are getting the output. But we are, guys, if I'm talking about Naved with respect to this program management journey, so the training is one of the project under that PGMP certification journey or not? After the journey, right, in this journey, this is a project component number one. After that, aligned with this training, you have to, as I think I remember Blesson told me that, Asjad, I am going to start my first day now, and yes, I will be submitting you the application for you, the same also, Naved. Application development, application submit to the PMI. Once the approval will be there, then it will go to the panel review. After the panel review, you are ready for the exam? No, it is not correct, Navid. What you will do, you have to read the book, going through the slides and making the mock test. So everything is in project or not, specific beginning and the end date. And once you have completed all the mock tests that we will be sharing with to you, and you will go to the final exam, and exam means objective achieved. Are you getting my point? Objective is not to gain the training, because for the PGMP certification journey, what do you think? It is a program. Are you getting my point? Forget about PGMP training. I can say also portfolio training or any training I can say. So it is not that only. So can you achieve the benefit? Can you achieve the benefit by having only training? No, you have to submit the application, Naved. You have to give the mock test. You have to fulfill the panel review. You have to read the book or testing, and then final exam. All of these things are correlated, and then objective achieved. Yes, you will become a PGMP certified professional. You got my point? Gain the benefit. Is still some people will not say that, oh, Asjad, after clearing that, some people I have seen that they are saying, oh, after PMP, after PGMP, I have not receiving any benefit. So guys, what is that? How can you gain the benefit if you are not applying the knowledge? Application of the knowledge of that, of the program management, then only you will be getting the benefit. Then only as a performing organization I will be getting the benefit or not. Navid, for example, with God grace, you will be clearing the certification, you will promote that or not, as simple as that. So that is the benefit for me, or only just taking the training is benefit for me? In a very simple grassroots level example, I'm saying that. So benefit will be achieved what? When you will be applying, you will be certified. I hope you got my point. Now, coming back to the point, this is the concern, Naved. I told you at the beginning, people, they are misunderstanding. So on the top, they are considering, oh, it is a project. Okay, project means they do believe that, right? And this is the museum, right? Is the amusement park. They are saying that the development of that. So each component itself a project. Project can be big or less, big or small. The project further decompose into the phases, but end of the day, Naved, what is the objective? Objective to gain the benefit. So these things are related by what? By the common benefit or not? This is a program. I hope the point is clear. Project can be completed successfully. Okay, successfully. What is the use if there is no use, Naved, in that amusement park you have developed and the people are not coming in the country? Naved,
Okay.
are you getting my point? Completed successfully. Amusement park means amazing, amazing. In Qatar, right? In Qatar, I have visited that park. The world biggest open AC park they have created. Anyone from Qatar, guys? If not, no problem, it's fine. Just an example. So the biggest word for the biggest park, open park, that is the AC park, guys. Open AC park they have created in Qatar. So what is that? People are moving, they are also promoting, because all the GCC countries, they are moving towards the tourism. And what is the objective? So in this case, that open AC park is one of the component to achieve the benefit or not, right? And what is the objective? Objective of the country from the oil based industry towards oil based economy towards the tourism economic. End of the day, so the size doesn't matter. Yes, that is a different point. The objective you are getting after long period of time, that is a different point. So now people are moving towards Dubai. Almost all the multinational company across the globe, they do have the offices in Dubai or not? Almost the multi-million company, right, dollar company, they do have one small office in Dubai, because Dubai is the center, economic hub, you can say. I hope you got my point. Objective. So yes, it took time. They have started to develop from 1970s and 1980s, and that is the era. It is known as the Asian economic boom. Asian economic boom came in 1970, 1980s. At that time they have started, and still they are growing. Yes or no? They are upgrading. So objective, benefit, actually the main objective to initiate this amusement park or tourism park or this, to gain the benefit. You can say the terminology in terms of the project. So I don't mind. Project means, rather than project, can I say Naved, because in our technical word we are using the word initiative rather than project. I hope you got my point. Initiative. It is a very big initiative, Asjad, right? We have taken the initiative to invite the people from the countries, different countries, to make it sure that what, to gain the benefit. And this is the reason, if the output of the project is a product or service or the result, so what is the output of the program, guys? Now the answer I will conclude after that. Naved, what is the output of the program? Anyone? Output of the program. If the output of the project is product or service or the result, so what is the output of the program? Rather than output, I can say outcome. Outcome of the program. Swandesh?
Value and benefits out of it.
Very good. Thank you very much. Absolutely. So the project's components are related to generate the benefit. So common factor is benefit. The program will not be considered successfully if it is not getting the benefit. So Apple, they have created, guys, i17, I can say they are going to create i17 product to generate the revenue, that is the $2 billion in the financial year 2024-25, or maybe 25-26, or maybe 26 or 27 financial year. They want to generate the benefit, increase the revenue, and yes, they have initiated. And not only i17, guys, maybe to, instead of 2 billion, the objective $20 billion. In that case, they have to upgrade their ipad, right, guys? Because iPhone is very common, guys. That is the reason I am taking. So they can upgrade this. They can also make, guys, that is the book, guys, Air book, that is the MacBook, that is the Air, and the MacBook Professional. And also you can say, guys, that is the iTunes, which is the music, guys, right? As well as the Apple TV, right? So means, what is that? Important thing is not what are you initiating. Important thing is that end of the year we are getting, right, we are able to gain the $20 billion of the benefit or not. Revenue can be increased or not. So if yes, then the program will be considered as a successful. If not, maybe within that program multiple projects completed successfully, but objective is still not achieved. So program, from the program point of view, Naved, it will be a failure. From the project point of view, it is a successful. I hope you got my point. From the project point of view, very good question. I like it. And that is the reason I am little bit elaborating. Sorry for that, guys. I'm taking extra time. But yes, I like the way that Naved asked the question. So this training, guys, yes, completed successfully. But the objective, guys, benefit you cannot have until unless these things, guys, go. And after the exam clearing, guys, then what? This is the application. It is the you who is going to apply this knowledge. And once you are applying this knowledge, guys, the benefit will be there for me and for you as well, as a performing organization as well as a receiving organization. So size doesn't matter. As I told you, the example, that is the program, that is the satellite launch vehicle. In a single satellite launch vehicle, multiple city we can develop. So size is not a concern. End of the day, what is the benefit? So this program they have initiated for the benefit of what, guys? Of the human being, and city development, also the citizen, those are living on that. So objective is what? To improve the lifestyle. Yes, if we are able to improve the lifestyle of the people living in that city, objective achieved. That is the reason governmental organization, they are working, as I told you, smart city. They are using the word, even Naved, in India, if I can say, the smart city project they are using. Smart city project we have initiated, but actually it is a program to intended benefit we are going to achieve. And what is the main objective? Main objective is not only finish that the villas, or finish that the you can say the flats, or finish the parking, or the parks, right? No, improvement of the lifestyle of the citizen, that is the main objective. Smart city, smart city program. I
Okay,
hope.
yeah, that is clear as thanks.
Welcome.
One last thing,
Please,
can
please.
a program have just one project? For example, you took the example of like this PGMP certification, right? So, in case of renewals, suppose I just need to get 60 PDUs to renew. I can just attend a training and get 60 PDUs. So, can a program have just one project, or it
No, no,
has
no,
to have
no,
multiple
no.
projects?
Multiple related, because the basic definition, very good. This is what I can say over here. Yes, a program related projects. So 60 PDUs, that is for the PMP that you would like to have, right? That's something like that. For the program management training, we are attending to gain what? To gain the 60 PDUs. So gain the 60 PDUs, it is one of the component, one of the component. What is the objective? To renew your certificate, yes or no? Related. After the renewal, the validity of the certificate will be extended. Once the extended, then you can show. Are you getting my point? So it is related or not again?
Yeah.
Anand, sorry, Navid, I hope you got my point, right? So yes,
Yeah.
related, then only the benefit will be achieved. Component is one of the component under the, so program basic definition, as I told you, it is what? Related project, subsidiary program. Under a big program, we may have the subsidiary program and also supporting program activities. So whenever I am using the word, guys, activity, it will be considered automatically as a program activities. And this is the reason, guys, program always deliver what? Intended benefit through the components pursued to produce output and the outcomes. It producing that. Managing program components enhance the delivery of the benefit. Yes, again and again, guys, I hope you are getting, and this is the point I told you. Thank you very much. I think Swandesh told me that concern. The outcome of the program would be, guys, that is the benefit or the value. If yes, then okay. If not, guys, the project may be completed successfully, right? Apple, the product under that I-17, one of the product, guys, I told you, that is the increasing the camera, guys, pixels, 200 megapixels camera resolution, right? That project completed successfully. It does not mean program successful considered. No, guys, program will be considered successfully for what we have initiated, intended benefit achieved or not. And that is the point. Satellite launch vehicle development of the downtown city, right? That is the city redevelopment, or the development of the co-vaccine program. So important, or the basic thing of with respect to the program, it is what, guys? Related projects to achieve the intended or to obtain the benefit, because benefit not available managing them individually. I hope, Naved, right now it is better, because the definition of the program is saying itself, obtain the benefit which is not available by managing the projects individually. Managing them individually, we cannot achieve the benefit, intended benefit. Sorry, guys, I took extra time, but yes, I like the question that he raised. So the point is clear, guys. Please make a thumbs up. Only just one thing I have discussed with you, what is a program, and the basic information regarding the program, sub program. That is, the product is not program management, right? Project management is not program management. Different point, guys. So vision, mission, objective, strategy of the organization, right? So yes, multiple factors that we have discussed. Thank you very much, guys. That is the benefit, as I told you, that is the incremental, as well as that is known as your guys unified benefit, if I can say over here. So that is the, yes, this is the incremental benefit and the unified benefit that we have already discussed in detail. Incremental and the, so only till here, guys, I have completed. So we can take a break now, guys. See you after the break. Thank you. The recording. Okay, so for every, guys, every program, we have to have some need, right, guys? So without a need, can we start a program, guys? Obviously not. We need a need, and that need will be considered as a business need, guys. Business need. Yes, that is a different point, guys. That need, we are having the bottom up need or the guys top to bottom approach need. That is a different point. I will be discussing that. What is the bottom up and the top to bottom approach, guys, need, not technique. Okay, don't think that estimation technique also. Those people are PMP certified. They will, mismatch. My last student also, he cleared the exam, even Raj, one of the candidates. So he said, sir, bottom up or top down is the estimation technique. No, it is a need, guys. So need from the organization point of view, guys, and sometime need that is the from the project point of view, and we are moving to combine the multiple things together. Like I can say, that is the increasing the customer satisfaction, improvement, customer loyalty base. So we are starting from one project and then combining multiple project of that, improving or increasing the you can say, guys, that is the payroll system. So payroll system improvement program. So yes, only one, guys, software update is enough? No, multiple factors. So starting from the bottom, top to bottom, guys, what does it mean? The organization level we are initiating to achieve the objective, and both the cases we can have the need. This is my concern. So business need is nothing but, guys, it is nothing but, it is a problem, guys. As simple as that. The problem which the organization or our organization is facing, need, guys. Customers or the customers are facing or the organizations are facing, guys, the approach that organization has identified, guys. Approach, so means that is the solution, I can say, guys. The need, so the need or approach to identified, guys, the solution, we need to what? Exploit the opportunities or not? Opportunities, guys. So we need to exploit the opportunity, guys. One of the factor, if you remember, that is the risk response strategy, exploit the opportunity. So every organization do have a problem, guys. Every organization or the customers are facing the problem, and we need to have the approach, right? The solution, I can say. And what is that? Exploit the opportunities or to avoid the problem, guys. Opportunities always, guys, exploit. We have discussed, I think, if you remember, not sorry, in the PMP, if you are, guys, PMP certified. If not, I will explain that. Exploit, making the best use of something, right? Or the problem, guys, we need to avoid or we need to mitigate that. These are the response strategies, right? So organization, they need to initiate a program based on the need, address the problem or the opportunities by creating the solution of that problem and the opportunities. Because we need a solution. Unless we do not have the solution, guys, we cannot realize the benefit. Yes or no, guys? As simple as that. Can we realize the benefit if I don't have the solution for any problem? And guys, problem, or I can say the for the opportunities. So that is the point what I said, Naved, Gaurav, blessing, that is right. Opportunities exploit, and the guys problem need to be avoid, or guys, we can say mitigation. So means we need a solution, guys, and we, if in case we do not have the solution, we cannot realize the benefit, and by exploiting the opportunities or by avoiding the problem, right? So every problem always must have a need, guys. As simple as that. So as per the standard, guys, there is a one standard of IIBA. IIBA, that is known as the International Institute for Business Analyst. Business Analysis, IIBA, that is the Canada based body, Toronto based guys. And in this IIBA, that is a BABOK, Business Analyst Body of Knowledge, right? So BABOK book guide. So I'm just taking the reference guys from that book, which is known as the BABOK, Business Analysis Body of Knowledge. So according to the, because this is for the guys, PMI is also having the one PMI PBA, Practitioner Business Analyst, but it is not having that much of value in the market. Yes, if you are having guys business analyst course, so better you can go with the IIBA guys, right? So that is the, okay, in that BABOK book guys clearly defined that, right, regarding the business need, the definition I'm talking about guys. So the definition, it is a very important, given by the guys IIBA standard. So every business has a need. The need is nothing but opportunities that we have to identify. Yes or no guys? And if we identify the opportunities, and we need to create a program, as simple as that, or the problem that we are facing with the existing product or the existing service that we are providing to our customer. So this is the point I told you guys, and according to the standard, that is what every business has a need. And by addressing those problems or exploiting the opportunities, guys, what is that? By creating a solution. Creating a solution, we can realize the benefit for the organization. If we have identified only the problem guys, and we do not have the solution, right, so what is that guys? We need to create the solution through the program component. This is the point I told you. End of the day, the benefit must be realized by using a program guys, and under the program multiple projects, or rather than project, I must say component, right? So that will be focusing on addressing the need, realizing the benefit ultimately, right, and by creating the solution, right? I hope guys you got my point. No investment for the program will be granted guys, even you are doing the some research and development work, right? You have to justify. This is the point guys, we have to have a justification of the investment. Even though whatever the program you are doing, whatever the component you are doing under a program, so first of all we need to identify, we need to justify the need or not. How the research and development program, right, outcome will help you to realize the benefit, and so on. I hope guys you got my point. So in that case, iPhone a portfolio need to initiate a program. So what is the need guys? The need is not develop a product which is the i17 product, right? No, the benefit they are looking for by generating iPhone 17, that is what? Increasing the revenue by $2 billion guys, as simple as that, right? So in that case guys, what does it mean? I can say that this is not the purpose guys, first of all, to initiate the product or any project guys. Intended benefit justify that investment, as simple as that guys. So this is just for the information. We are initiating a program, right? If we do not have a need, we cannot get the just guys fund from that program, for that program, right? In that case, this is guys program life cycle. I am not going to explain today because this is not the work for today. Just for the information, this is the program. It is not mentioned guys in the SPM book, but it is mentioned somehow in the book. That is what a program is also a time bound. Don't take me wrong guys, but yes, it is mentioned that. I will show you. So what is that? A program, you can see in this program guys, that is what? Having beginning, and yes, this is the end of the program. It is not mentioned, but yes, that is the that is somehow defined in the program life cycle guys. This is the program life cycle: program definition, program delivery, and the program closure. Under the definition, we do have the sub stages, right? Under the delivery, sub stages. Under the closure also guys, that is the sub stages or the phases. Anyway, this is a complete topic for tomorrow guys. I am going to discuss 44% question will be asked from this topic, that is the program life cycle. If you remember, I told you at the beginning. So 44% guys, which is almost 50, right? Half of the entire session, right? So yes, that will be discussing tomorrow. Just for the information, that is the program life cycle looks like that. definition, delivery, and the program closure. Anyway, so what I said, guys, what I said that is means in for the program, guys, we need initiate a program, we need a need. If we do not have a need, guys, don't expect that we will get the fund, guys. And the fund we are getting, guys, we have to have proper justification for that program. And that is the reason what I would like to discuss, guys, right here right now, that is the relationship, guys, relationship in between the portfolio, program, and project and operation. Just for the information, guys, if I can say that, that is the you can say, 1 minute, guys, I will show you portfolio as per the portfolio book. So it is not the portfolio management, guys. First of all, standard is not portfolio, but yes, this is what, guys, we can easily understand that regarding the portfolio, guys. 1 minute. In that portfolio, page number 20, guys, see, guys, in this portfolio life cycle, guys, there is no any, you can say, guys, over here, that is what, there is no any closure. So portfolio is nothing but it is the collection of the projects, program, subsidiary portfolios, operation, guys, manage group to achieve the strategic objective, I can say, guys. So that is what, that is the strategic objective to be achieved, guys. Portfolio component, guys, as I told you, that is a program, projects, as well as, see, you can see, guys, initiate, planning, execution, as well as the optimization.